What up, folks? I don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but we're going to do a quick audio check. I think this is a 1 minute early start. Don't know who is with me right now. I have not eaten today, so I do not want this stream to be too long. However, I do expect it to go longer than I want it to. So today is just going to be a quick, another dev stream, another, what's it called? Marvel, no, what did I say Marvel? Smarl, what's it called, stream with a bit of the crowd control, chat controls as well. So I'm trying to currently update the crowd control chat mechanics to be focusing on universal control. So instead of just having cows, I can have you guys spawn in as tape bots, you know, XYZ, any other unity or entity unit in the game without the issue of me having to custom code every single one so far. And I'm almost there. I was doing some testing. What's up, Cockster? What's up, JJ? What's up, Sewell? I don't know who else is here, but whoever's here, also hello. Quick audio check while I am doing this intro. So is my audio quiet? All right, good to know. Thank you. Perfect. So is my audio quiet? I'm hitting yellow on my side, so it might be you, Cockster. Let me know if that's not you. If yeah, so JJ says it's good for you. I'll have to double check some things. See, what's up, Neon Blade? Good to see you. Just came from another stream and it sounds the same. Oh, nice. Sounds good to you. Nah, you just turned the volume up. Okay. All right. Well, if my audio in general is too quiet, especially for my videos, I've looked through my past videos and streams and I've noticed that I've had some horrible audio control. And so I've been trying to keep it at the same settings for every recording and stream. So nothing has changed since the last one. That's my goal, is to keep everything consistent. And so let me know if something just feels off or changes, because yeah, I'm trying to be more conscious of that. But thank you. Hopefully the music stream isn't too bad. Actually, wait a minute. The music stream isn't hearing anything. Oh, well, that's not good. Oh, no. I'm playing some hype music in the background right now, and you guys can't rap. So we go into the main camera. Screen stats. VS Code. How about that? We can just have that. All right. So, yeah, it turns out you guys can't hear my desktop audio for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. How about now? You guys should be able to hear a little bit of something. Anyways, long story short, I don't want to keep you guys bored while I'm trying to figure things out right here. I was saying that I have been trying to work on the manual checkpoints and sort of essentially what I was hoping to have a generation 8 rendition of scrap mechanic, have that done before the next season, because I have a lot of fun things coming up there. But right now, let's see. But now, I got distracted because I added manual checkpoints, and through manual checkpoints, it's caused me to have to rewrite almost everything. So I will say this, I see you trying to spawn some tape bots and farm bots and whatnot. Currently, I have that turned off because it's broken. I got a little bit distracted before the stream started. I was hoping to have it done, but you guys can actually join me in fixing it. It shouldn't take too much longer to fix it, but we can do that later. But for now, while everyone is still sort of interested in coming in, I'm going to show the manual checkpoints real quick. All the music you were hearing was your wall heaters making a sick beat because they're cool. That's funny. We do love, it's weird how, art imitates life or vice versa when you're trying to do something and then all of a sudden it's just like a really sick beat or music or tune or something is going on and it's just by natural appliances. You meant to send that in the Discord. Oh, hold on. What did you try to send in Discord? Sorry, I didn't see whatever you tried to send in Discord, but okay. Anyways, so this is surprise. We're back at this. I called it Road Scrapton or something like that because I got inspired after Road America. And turns out I don't need any of this anymore since I'm not doing the auto generation. So this is actually hindering me, but we're going to keep it for now for time's sake. Manual checkpoints. What have I told you and shown you guys about that before? Anything? I'm going to assume nothing. Not much. So it's going to go the same as typical. This is sort of a sneak peek before I finish doing all my giant tutorial video of all the new stuff going. But I was hoping to have this release updated. What's it called? Or this release out last week. But I kind of got burnt out and decided to drive 23 hours to Key West. And I drove to Key West. I sent a small video when I got there into the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, feel free to join. The link is somewhere on my channel. Maybe in the description somewhere. But now I'm back and now I'm streaming and working on it a little bit more so I can get it released. But so everything will be the same if you know anything about how to track generate at all. However, while everything is like on non-debug mode, nothing is working, nothing is doing anything at all, you're going to want to pull in a mod part. I will update the description of this soon. It says not functional, do not use. Well, I will have that updated soon. But for now, pull that into your inventory. And essentially all it is just typing in what you want or placing what you want. So it's using a simple, I think it's a Bezier spline. And you can create manual checkpoints and it will add nodes between the checkpoints that you place. I recommend not placing down too many because the curve gets a little bit funky. But so like if we wanted to bring outside here, I see Jet. Someone is playing Jet. Who changed their Steam name? Because I don't know who you are anymore. Hold on, who's that? Jet Brigance. Anyways, so long story short, every time you place down a manual checkpoint, you will get a line between it, and it's curved automatically. This isn't the most optimal point for it, but we're just going to pretend that it is. And so now once we have that checkpoint there, all we need to do is put a checkpoint. I call them checkpoints, but it's really just like manual points here at the apex. So what it does is automatically creates a curve between, I guess, the third one, this one, and this one, and creates a whole curve right here. So now that you have that one on the apex, and then you want to do one at the, I guess, the exfil, the exit of the turn. And I'll just put it like right there. And so it's not the most optimal turn. You're going to have to play with this manually if you want to make like the most perfect racing line. But now you have the option to do so instead of trying to deal with the automatic checkpoint generator. The problem is, though, that it gets slow. So I highly recommend getting the swim mod, or I have this in the tool right now. You can fly mod and it will teleport you wherever you want. Like so. And so you can kind of go faster along the track instead of running manually. I don't have the controls fixed yet, but I will soon. So essentially, like, long story short, that's all you got to do. All you got to do is just place down the checkpoints and it will automatically create a curve towards it. There are some limitations, though. Like you can see here, instead of going straight to this like you think it would, it makes a curve towards it and then you can continue. So there are things you have to be aware of. If you want to edit a checkpoint that's not the last checkpoint, you take out your hammer and it should let you think. You can see it says hit to edit checkpoint position 6. You hit it, it deletes that checkpoint, but then you can place it back here. And then now it places it that way. So now you've sort of edited it and whatnot. That's all I have right now for there. And then once you're done, all you have to do is make it go all the way back to the beginning and it will auto complete once you get close enough to the start node. And then you press E on it to finish. And then if you don't want these guys in the way, it says shoot to remove all checkpoints. Click that and it removes all the checkpoints that you place down so that you don't have to go around and remove them manually yourself. So anyway, so that's what I've been working on. This track already actually has a scan done. And And I'm going to see if I can actually pull it up or something. That might be nice. Let's see. Sorry, you meant the link you just sent. Yeah, YouTube just deletes all links that you send anyway, so I didn't even see that even as a owner of the channel. Have you ever tried racing on off-road tracks? Not specifically. I mean, yes, I have, like, in testing, but not, like, officially, I guess. And it works. It's just, you know how off-road and scrap mechanic works. Everything gets bumpy and goes flying around everywhere and whatnot. You have a fly mod? Well, that's good. Fly mods are good. This is really cool. Glad you think it's cool, JJ. The line looks pretty smooth, so that's great. Yes, that was the main goal, was to get a smooth line. But, you know, that's easier said than done. All right, so I'm going to pull in my track loader, I believe. Save track scan to block. And then if I can pull that. So this is the current world scan. It's in Discord if I want it. It's a community content center. I'll check it out right now, actually. Let's Super Sunshakes mod, fly mod. Ooh. This sounds like fun, but it also looks like they added way too much. Oh, you made it, Cockster. Okay. It's a tool, add sung shakes for the creators. Toggles between flying. Speed effect will reset. Turbo's sake. Okay. I like it. Alright, I'll download it and I'll mess with it later. But anyways, so this is kind of what I was talking about on Discord, if you guys don't remember or do care. I think JJ was the one that asked. The current way that the manual checkpoints do, or I guess, yeah, do is the word, I guess. I don't know if that's the proper word. Is that it makes the racing line way more curved and smooth because, you know, it's manually set and everything is a Bezier curve. So right now, because this is such a smooth-ish curve, I also have it so it goes away from the wall. I need to do some changing here, actually. I do need to make some settings, excuse me, changed. But because of this, the car doesn't properly generate the segments. So it'll think this is a curve and then think this is a straightaway. And so it'll like only slow down way over here and then start speeding up there, which is fine. But then just for the rest of the track, it just kind of manually, it just doesn't properly know when to brake. So right now I'm currently overhauling all the code, especially like right here. Like this is a weird spot. I just messed up the checkpoint placement here. It should be a lot different. And I need to remove this wall because that's how it is in the final track. I no longer actually need this wall because everything works just fine. I think I need to test that actually. Hold on. Anyways, so because of that, I'm overhauling how the cars affected like brake. And if I take a black engine out, and then if I take a I don't want to take your Porsche, JJ. Your Porsche is kind of overpoweredly fast, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take your Ford. No, not Ford. What do they call it? It was the custom GT. Your GT4. I'm just going to put them both down real quick. And then if I go here, you'll see they kind of act funny. First of all, because something's broken. I don't know why that's... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what in the world? Oh, it's because of this. Maybe? Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. So, yeah, as you can see, things are acting funny. Things are different. Things are weird. And I need to figure out why that's the case. Right now, it's saying that VMAX is broken because I am currently looking at the wrong thing. So we're gonna switch over to my code real quick to fix this. That's not the right thing. We want this right here. There we go. We want that to be none because that's currently breaking things, and then the Vmax is currently breaking things. AC is also throwing. Weird. Comment that so that spamming the print line. But yeah, so for some reason this car is acting funny, but the normal car should be acting fine right now. It turns out it doesn't need to brake so much more because of the way that it works. And it goes around the track a lot faster because of the way that the manual checkpoints are set up. So I'm trying to finish up code that makes them refined and slow down properly and speed up properly and add more sort of racification thing here. But you can see here how it did that weird little freak out. It's because I didn't set the checkpoints up properly. So there is some issues there. There is some like skill and user skill that needs to be required and versus the automatic generation of the checkpoints. But it's there and it works fine. As for this guy, I have no idea why this is happening. This was a bug that popped up last night as I was working on everything at like 4 in the morning. And I was hoping to fix today during the stream. And we can do that sooner or later. But, okay, so. So that is essentially manual checkpoints. I'm glad you think it's smooth. JJ, I think you can probably take the most use out of this. But also, who was that in the Discord? Was that Cryptic? I don't know what their YouTube name is. But Cryptic can also use this manual checkpoint to kind of fix any racing line on his tracks too. But you will be able to still do it the other way. Don't worry. That is still a thing. You can still do the automatic generation of the checkpoints if you don't want to do the manual stuff. I'm just having this for the people who have more complex tracks that don't use just these default parts and walls and whatnot. So anyways, that is manual checkpoints. I'm hoping to have that out by next week, if not the end of this week. It is Sunday, so it would be like next Sunday or the Sunday after. And I'll have that fully released out in like beta mode because there will be bugs, and I'll leave it up to you guys to report those bugs to me. Anyways, so I will. Man, I got a PR. Are you able to use a manual checkpoint to tweak an automatic scan? So that was gonna be on my to-do list, or it is on my to-do list, because it's kind of hard, if that makes sense. I'm thinking of ways to do that because right now it only uses just the manual checkpoints and puts a line between them. If you have an automatic scan, it's kind of like, where do you make the automatic scan cut into a manual checkpoint and stuff like that. There's a lot of thought processes there. So if you have actually a good method to where I can make it edit and tweak a automatic scan, that would be great. But right now it's kind of either manual or automatic. I am hoping to have eventually a place where you can just edit the nodes of an automatic scan, or really any scan, directly by just hovering over it and clicking or right clicking and whatnot. But that is sort of like on the future list when Generation 8 is officially out, because right now I'm trying to just get the bare bones and finish this Season 2 so that we can get to Generation 8, which is going to be a lot more fun. Or not, I say more fun, a lot more just usability in terms of what you just said, JJ. Is kind of side note, but random note, is the what am I thinking about? Latency for the stream. stream wise, administration wise. Is it a really long delay? Audio okay? Everything still okay? Yeah. Okay. I don't even know who's here anymore still, so this probably was gonna be me and you, JJ, which is honestly just fine because I'm not trying to do much. So, Coxter's still here. All good. All right, cool. Cool. We are back now in a custom world, and this custom world is the world where I have the survival units evolved on top of the scrap mechanic racers. I did, for some reason, my lazy butt didn't actually make a new track to fit that schema that you put out, JJ. And I could do that today, actually, in the stream. Just make a new small track that fits that little grid thing, because that's a fun one. But right now, I just have it here because right now everything is broken. So what I'm going to do is start up the stream reader and try to see where things are going wrong. I do know right now if I want to close out this one here and then go into VS Code and change this to this right here. So I'm right now working on, this is really big. There we go. So I'm working on getting characters, a universal base class for characters, meaning that you can spawn in as a tape bot, you can spawn in as anything you want, and still get, you know, your name over top and your chat sent through, and then eventually custom commands, but custom commands are later. But right now, I'm trying to work on getting everything focused over from a base class, and things are breaking currently. So yeah, let's just do this. If I do any things from CL, this should be hopefully a quick 5-minute coding adventure in and out. I just started up the script, and I'm going to actually have you guys, whoever is still here, help me with spawning in characters and walks, because I don't want to do it myself. So instead of making you guys look at me coding the whole time, I'm going to actually take you back over to here, and we're going to do that there. We're going to actually there. Down there. Okay. You love how multiplayer sucks so bad we result in making our own multiplayer game. I mean, yeah, that's true. I mean, that's basically how it is why have scrap mechanic do it when you can just do it yourself with really weird, obscure ways of doing it? That's true, actually. All right, so let's go, and I'm going to try to spawn a walk and see what breaks. This isn't going to work, but when you can, when I say so, just type in /spawn walk and try to spawn yourself in as a walk, but things will break. Julie, just for your notice. Thank you, Coxter. I see you. So right now, as you can see, I just paused the game using the console, and there is some errors here. My game control isn't loaded. SV create isn't loaded. CL create isn't loaded. Animations isn't. Yeah, so there's a lot of things I need to quickly fix. What's up, Neon Blade? Hold on, Coxter. I'm not there. The game's paused, so technically the code is paused right now, so nothing is working. As I'm trying to fix here, so that you guys don't get tempted, I'm just going to move the screen back to VS Code. Not that it's going to do anything. So right now, there's the way that Scrap Mechanic handles its things is really weird. Maybe it's just Lua itself, but the way that they wrote it is that you can have a class inherit another class, except you can't do sub functions. It only is overrides. I know what I'm saying probably makes no sense, but it's just weird. The overrides is weird. So what I'm gonna do right now is just fix some of these things. So if you can see, actually, I don't know what you guys can see right now. So I'm gonna fix this line real quick. It's saying line 28. There is no SV create, and line 28 is right here. So SV create on this side is right here. Oh, it's on create. There we go. That's why, because I spelled it wrong. I'm stupid. On create. How do you do the stream commands? How? I feel like that's such a loaded and general broad question. Are you asking me how do I write the code for the stream commands, or how do you send in commands? Because the description has in the certain commands, if you want to know what the commands are. And I can actually easily go into how I'm doing it. Actually, I'm pretty proud of it, and I'm kind of excited because I think I was the first one to come up with this stuff before everyone else started trying to do their own ways of it. How does a stream communicate this? Okay, well, I will actually bring that to you very soon. Let me finish a couple more lines of fixing, because I spelled these things all wrong. I spelled create wrong. Wow, this is, man. Wow, I'm stupid. Next was client on create. Animations doesn't exist. 47 of player walk character. Self to animation. No, that's right there. Oh, it's because I didn't call it right. Okay, so now to answer your question, Cockster, and whoever else is curious, I made a custom mod. Of course, it's, you know, basic mod, where I add in the files something called streamreader.py. This is the same exact sort of concept that I did when I did the custom, you know, chat controls the world streams. I want to bring those back eventually, but right now I don't. Where is it? Right here. So I have a module that, yes, yeah, essentially that's all it is. It's just JSON communication. It's Python that reads stream chat, puts it into a JSON file, my streamchat.json, and then my streamreader.lua pulls in the JSON command structure from the file, and then it's basically an event bus, a command event bus that runs through every time it reads at the certain interval, and then it does, you know, what it wants to do. So it's not super hard, but it was a fun little concept that, holy shit. Oh my god. See, this is why. Why? Why must you people make things so difficult sometimes? Alright, well, okay. I might need to restart this world. Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Man, this is really lagging my game. Maybe I should have turned off the stream reader while you guys were doing all the commands. Here. Let me just do a /kill all. There we go. All right, much better. Holy crap. If I restart world, add fly mod. Yeah, I probably should. I will later, but I should. All right, so you can see I'm freezing the game again. Please do not spawn anything more. There are things going wrong. I'm scrolling through the what's it called, the debug console right now, and you can see things are going wrong. Wow, like everything's going. All right. Oh, well, one, I don't have my game control loaded. That's something I need to fix. Two, SV create, PO create, it's still not taking the right names for the joins. Oh, that's weird. I just realized you guys didn't get to see any of that because I had my screen off on the wrong one. All right, well, none of that. We're going to go back to my main camera because you basically 100,000 bots spawned and broke my game. So we're going to quickly restart this session, or at least this game. And then go back, custom game, and then if you want, I guess Coxer wants us to use his mod. Whoa, excuse me. And then we'll do that. ./spawn tape bot. Nice try. Nice try. I saw that dot. Let's see. Unrelated, but if I ever find myself wanting to model a Ferrari 499p into a game with a horrible block selection, don't. Is that what you're trying to do, JJ, right now? That is crazy. That's like actually crazy. Also, this song's pissing me off. So, another one? Are you serious? Help me. Yeah, Jay, that's insane. I don't know why you would do that to yourself. Dang, JJ. I mean, it's impressive. But, like, why? Why would you try? All right. Let's see. What broke here? All right, nothing's broken. Looks like the mod is still on. All right. Can we have one of you or two of you try to spawn in as a walk? Real quick. All right, try to do that, and I'm gonna go pee real quick because I have to actually pee. So be right back, and I'll turn up the music so that you guys aren't super bored. You should do these things before the stream, but you know me. I'm not professional. All right, I'm back. Thank you for your... Why am I dead? Why am I dead? Can someone explain how I leave for 30 seconds and I'm dead? No? No? Can no one explain that? Someone spawned as a tote bot. Did I... Okay, let's see. What were my instructions before I left? It was, can someone spawn in as a walk? And let me check the chat real quick to see who tried to spawn in as a walk. Coxter. /spawn tape bot. You... Oh, and now you're all laughing at me. Oh my goodness. Are you serious, guys? Come on. All right. I didn't disable like any of the other stuff because that's what I'm working on. because normally I would disable anything else except for the cows only. But since I'm working on tape bots and everything else, I left it enabled until I fixed it. But you guys had one job. You guys had one freaking job. Oh. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, okay, I'm going to give you guys one more chance. Maybe JJ this time instead of Cockster. I need someone, anybody, to try to spawn in as a cow specifically. A walk. All right. Perfect. You broke the game, but that's what I wanted, you know, in a good type of way. All right, updating client data. It's nil. Player walk, level 22. Index data, it is nil. Okay. All right, let me just fix that. You probably can hear me typing. I need to get quieter keyboards. You remember, I don't know, you guys are probably too young to remember this, but back in the day, having the loudest clicking mechanical keyboards was like the crap. Like, it's like, that's how you knew you were cool. It was having the, I think it was like the black keys or the brown keys. I forget exactly which ones. Right now, I think these are blue keys, but like, that was the way you won. But if you're a content creator or any sort of like person that has to have a microphone, you can't be buying stuff with these loud keyboards because it goes right through into the microphone. So I'm going to have to fix that. I think I can replace the current keyboard that I have, or current keys on my keyboard, to be less clicky. But yeah. All right, JJ, are you being down bad for those walks right now? I wasn't even looking at the chat, but I just peeked over my logs. Oh my goodness. Okay, Coxer says he can't hear me typing. Oh, that's good. JJ says he heard the typing. Anyways, it would be cool when you sent the message in the chat. It would have paused. Sorry, I had like the burp and then my train of thought just completely just obliterated myself there. Coxter, you are right. Right, JJ? You've been on the streams where I had that and have that. I'm currently trying to make it so that you can do that. Are you just trolling, Coxter? Because you were on one of those streams too, weren't you? Yeah, no, Coxter, you were on one of those streams too. You can't... I used to have that. No, I'm pretty sure you've seen me actually have that functional. I'm right now fixing some bugs. And once these bugs are fixed, then you will be able to have that. And that will be the fun part of the stream. We're getting there. This is the beginning part where everything is kind of boring. I'm trying to just ramble about random stuff. But now I'm getting there. So on client data update is there. My chat message. I wonder if I can actually just comment this out here. Okay, so now that's there. That's there. The next problem I had was here. I don't know if what you guys can see. Looks like you guys can't even see that yet. So we're gonna that maybe. Yeah, there we go. All right. So my next problem that I had was on 131 of base chat character. It was a nil value SV on fixed update. Oh, I see. So if I go over to SV on fixed update, you guys can't see me changing the code right now because I don't have my stream deck set up to where I can quickly switch between the two. And I'm sure you guys don't have the attention span long enough for me to set that up real quick. I'm kidding. No offense. Maybe I'm kind of not kidding because it's true. Because I know I wouldn't, but oh, I see why. Because I don't even have an on-fixed update. All right. Function player character dot on. Okay. What did you... Oh, hey, look at that. Look at that. You guys doubted me. I know you probably didn't doubt me. But look, you see all the errors that happened? It's fine. But we're finally getting back to normal. I'm killing you real quick. Okay, nobody spawn. Okay, nobody, please. Nobody spawn anything yet. I want to fix a few more bugs, a few more errors that you can see popping up here. Cockster. Cockster, seriously. I can see the receipts. It's not like you can hide the fact that after I say, please nobody spawn anything, you spawn something. Okay, let's try this again. In my defense, you spawned it after I said it. Before, not after. Okay, it was before. All right, fine. You spawned it before. But give me a few seconds and then we'll be back to normal. I think right now I want to look at this error right here. It's attempting to call CL init, which is a nil value. That shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, I don't even have that function there. Wow, I'm an idiot. Erase that real quick. I know you guys can't see anything right now. Everything looks frozen and boring, but we will get there. Dude. And if this works, then I'll be actually kind of proud of myself because this is something that I didn't think would work. All right, so the script should be back. And someone, anybody, everybody, try to spawn a walk, specifically a walk. Okay, thank you. Also, is this music kind of loud? I feel like it is kind of loud. Let me turn that, and also just skip this song. Not that I don't hate it. All right. So something broke again, but that's okay. We're gonna kill that guy. It's looking like that my line out 106 here on fixed update isn't there. What? I thought I put that. What? Oh, I don't. Oh, wow. I'm an idiot. Okay. All right. Hold on. This might be the last bug, and then we should be back to normal. Just excuse. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. All right. All right. We should be good now. Yeah, just like, ow. Just immediately gets shot as soon as he spawns in. All right. I might need to restart the match itself. But... let me look at these. So speed shake, that's cool. Slow shake, turbo shake, that's cool. Reset, golden. I don't know what that means. There's no description on the golden, but I'll put that there. Yeah, that's actually really cool. I do like your enable fly mode and then stop flying. So wait, Coxer, are you setting a normal force on the player character during this? If that makes sense. So you're setting a vector force on the character, and it's just basically setting it compared to what the guy's keyboard inputs are, and then that's how you're doing it instead of just teleporting. Because what this guy does... Oh, shoot. I broke it. Alright, we're going to have to restart. Let's see. Golden is just a part. Does nothing. Just makes a player swim. It's much easier. Oh. Okay. 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 That makes sense. No. It wasn't your fly mod that did it. It was my own mod that it's supposed to be only scrap mechanic auto racers only. However, I have the same tool in this mod because they should be interchangeable. It's like a global sort of like camera slash fly slash terrible or teleport mod. Why did I say terrible? I don't know. But since I didn't really change the UUID of it, it just tried to break. But anyways, okay, yeah, you're fine. That's cool. I like it. So makes them start swimming. And you can swim at like whatever speed that they usually swim at. And then, I see. I like it. That's actually a good workaround. I'm hoping that my guy will be able to adjust the speed that you're swimming at so you can sort of speed up or slow down. But, that's a different sort of thing. Anyways. Why are you shooting at me? Use the other shakes. Oh, so you can use one shake, start flying, and then use these to speed up. The inner walk inside you. I like it. And then the slow shake is what makes you not. Oh. And that sets you to normal levels. I see. So it just covers your hotbar instead of using the scroll wheel. I got you. That makes sense. But yeah, no, in my mod, it wouldn't be for like the public to use because it's like broken, as you just saw. But just so that I can set up manual checkpoints a lot faster around the track, that's the only reason why I would do it. But I'm going to start loading this into all my worlds now because it's actually very helpful. But nice mod, Cockster. I had a word. Oh, one, yes. Can you guys check if you can spawn in as a walk? I haven't seen a spawn walk command yet. Or a exclamation point. Because YouTube is stupid. Twitch lets you do it. I might have to switch over to Twitch, to be honest. If I want to do more of the chat crowd control streams, I might need to switch over to... also, I had to pause it because there's a print spamming right now. Hold on. I'm so sorry. On up. It's print spamming. I don't know where it is. There it is. There we go. Oh, what's up, Cryptic? Good to see you. Okay, why are there so many of you, Cryptic? That is going to be something I need to fix. Apparently, while I have the game pause in debug mode, it just starts spamming the command for some reason. What up, JJ? But this is so this is the real clone. This is the real you, Cockster. Oh no. Cryptic, say something. Do all of them update to this properly? Actually, who spawned in as a worm? Because that's not fixed yet. That's not properly done. Your babies. All right, so this is the original Cryptic. The rest of these guys are fake. All right. We're getting back to normal levels of... This is... When I say normal, I mean non just broken. All right, JJ. This is a fictional cow. While you may have the glutes and thighs of an absolute masterpiece, the ribeye steaks on this thing would be incredible. Oh my gosh. This is not a real cow. All right, Cryptic, I'm killing your kids. All right, so right now we got JJ, we got Cryptic, and we got Cockster. I do not know who these guys are, and I can't actually kill them. Oh, now I can. All right. One of the things that I wanted to test while I was doing this was... You're tasty. I'm glad you think so. One of the things I wanted to test while doing this was the hover command, because I wanted to be able to hover over somebody and then it marks them as their chat has been read. I won't eat you, Cockster. Don't worry. At least not yet. And then once I stop hovering them, it deletes their chat over their head so I don't keep accidentally reading the same chat over and over again, if that makes sense. So I'm going to test that right now. Wait, no, help me. That's funny. I won't. No, don't worry. You guys can keep wandering down there. In fact, here, have some. I don't know if the corn is broken or not yet, but you should be able to see the corn and eat it. Maybe not. Oh shoot! I might have turned off corn. Sorry, guys. I turned off corn for you guys. I'll have to look at the code. I haven't looked at this code in a long time. Yeah, I turned off corn, so we can turn that back on soon. I'm just gonna go and look at the hovering mechanics right now, just so that we can get that going. Is there a /run command? Yes, there is something called /flee. I would look in the description. I'm pretty sure you can just do /flee and it will run away from me. But if it doesn't work, then I will just need to fix it. /flee doesn't work. Hold on a second. I'll get to you in a second, Cockster, and try to fix that. One step at a time. You know, I'm a programmer. I can't do everything all at once. I'm looking at this. In case you were curious, this is what I'm looking at. You typed it wrong, you think? There, now you can see. Oh, no, that worked. Oh, it worked. No, you're right. Hey, it worked. There you go. Okay. So you can. So right now, /flee only works for like 10 seconds. You'll have to just constantly kind of spam it if you want to go really far away. But right now it's not quite doing much. All right, back to what I was trying to do because you guys keep distracting me. I'm glad you could follow me, Cockster. Okay, it seems like that's working back in normal again. That's good. Oh, welcome, JJ, to the follow train. I don't think you cannot spawn things twice. That is one thing, Cockster. I forgot about that. I forgot that was enabled. Yeah, explosions are on. So if you really want to be a butthole, feel free to explode. Oh, that's broken. I think someone broke the script. Now your names aren't spawning over top of you right now. I'm gonna have to fix that. I can look at that later, but or maybe should I look at it now instead of trying to fix whatever? I don't even remember what I was trying to do before. What was I trying to do before? Does anybody remember? Like the original side quest I was trying to have go off while I was checkpoints. No. It wasn't checkpoints. I don't think it was checkpoints. I'm pretty sure it had to do something with the actual cows. Like I was trying to fix a bug inside these guys because something broke. Coxer, where'd you go? Or Cryptic. Cryptic, where'd you go? Did you die, Cryptic? I don't see Cryptic anymore. A ton of them spawning. Yeah, that was one issue, but that was only while it was paused. So I just ignored it. I think it was right after that happened. You died, Cryptic. You got reduced to atoms. Okay, so everybody's dead. Maybe I'll just since I can't remember, it must not have been that important because I really wanted to fix something before. Make it say that whenever a walk dies. You use the wrong. That's actually not a bad idea because I tell you when you spawn, but I don't tell you when you die. All right, JJ. That's enough out of you. This Ferrari is testing your patience. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, that's crazy. That's impressive, though. I can't wait to see it if you do get to a point where you can actually show it. But if you need to give up, that's also okay. Everything Ferrari does. I can't. I'm trying to look at the code right now to try to figure out where things went wrong. Let's see. No one else has tried spawning in as a walk. When you get the chance, if we can get one person to try it. Yeah, Ferrari, honestly, their master plan, although this year they've been doing okay, I guess. Better than last year, if we're talking about Formula 1. And then their GT3s and GTEs, GT4s, what else do they have in their racing? But they've been doing well everywhere else. But Formula, they've been struggling. Thank you, Cockster. All right, Cockster, it's not working. For some reason, your name isn't showing up. You can see on the the logs here where it's saying that it's trying to put you in. You love and hate the F80. Yeah, the Ferrari challenge. I mean, the Ferrari challenge is just full of Ferraris mostly. So it's not like they're up against anybody else. They're just their own worst enemies at this point. Neon trying to spawn a worm. That shouldn't work. Okay, I'm going to look into this and try to see why this isn't working. When I say this, I mean the fact that your name isn't popping up over your head anymore, because I don't remember the bug I was trying to fix before this. I just can't. I don't know why. This is actually crazy why my attention span or memory has just failed me completely on that one moment. I'll look at chat soon. Let's see. I am seeing Cogster spawned in as a custom walk, custom character created, custom character refreshed, updating client data nil. I see. Weird. That's weird that it becomes... I think I might have fixed that issue. I think I might have fixed something. All right. I just killed Cogster. I'm now going to add... what was I going to say? The script that tells you when a cow dies, just for now. But I just don't remember where I put it, if that makes sense. You can see here on the debug log where it tells you that you were killed. But for some reason, it's not. I can't find it in my actual code. So that's weird. Oh, I found it. Let's see. So I found blah, blah, blah. So server undestroyed, terminated. Oh, never mind. I did not find it. Walk unit. It wasn't walk unit. It was the player walk unit. Yeah, walk unit, tamper data, blah, 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 blah. And then I can do a client on destroy. I'm not correct. Hold on, I'll get to chat soon. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I'm just trying to get it so that it can tell you guys when you die. I'm doing this for you. Anything. Your patience is mandatory. Alright. So I can just do a sm.gui.send to chat? How do you send to, what was the API called to send to the chat again? Or was it chat GUI? Hold on, I'm gonna have to go pull up the Scrap Mechanic gosh darn API website. Give me a second. Man, this is taking much longer than I thought it would, but that's fine. It was sm.gui, correct? It wasn't GUI interface, it was just straight up GUI. And then it was it chat message? It was sm.gui.chat message. That's what it was. Thank you. Thank you all who cared. Chat message. We're going to have your username. Username. I'm just going to say that you died. Died. That's going to be it. All right. All right. That should work. Hold on. Let me go back to you guys. Now I can look at you guys' stream, or not stream, chats and whatnot. All right. I'm going to do a quick refresh of the map and see if something broke there and if I need to refresh everything. Oops, wrong way. Custom game. Cat versus cows. All right. Spawn, glowworm. F80 is great looking. It just doesn't look like a flagship car. Walk. Have I seen any Mustang Jarko challenge races? They're pretty fun. Yeah, I actually went to one and got to hang out with Will Ford, who is the new owner, who is Bill Ford's son, and who is, I guess, Mr. Ford's grandson or great-grandson or something like that, while watching the Mustang Dark Horse Challenge races. It was so cool. Did I not tell you guys about that? I wish I did. It was so fun. I have a video. I got to hang out with the Ford Performance team and hang out with them. We went behind the scenes. They were the ones that let us drive on the track at Mid-Ohio. It was so fun. Let's see. Is the walk and stream stuff its own mod? The stream stuff is its own mod when it comes to like spawning in explosions and stuff like that to kill me. The walk stuff is also its own mod. However, they are interchangeable between the two. So you can easily import one with the other and vice versa. I made it so that you can do both, and eventually I have it integrated soon. Cryptic is trying to distract me more. I hate that. That's fine. Your Ferrari just wait, what? JJ, how does your Ferrari explode? I hope you saved it recently. That's crazy. Did you like actually explode it, or did all the parts just kind of fall apart because you deleted a weld glitched part or something like that? Because that's nuts. I'm so sorry. Parts everywhere. Oh no. Entire sections of this car are sometimes connected by just one block. Yep. Oh man, that's rough. That sounds crazy fun. Totally not jealous. It exploded again. Oh no. All right, I'm caught up to chat. Dang. Okay, well that's unfortunate. I'm sorry, JJ. But yeah, the Mustang Dark Horses are really fun. I got to sit in one too. I forgot to say that. I have a video of me sitting in one, but since I haven't really cared about posting my personal stuff online, you guys will probably never see that video. Maybe I can send a video of my friend sitting in it too. I can do that and just pretend that it's me. How? Well, they had it out. They brought it in after the race or between races, and they were like, "Hey, you want to sit in it?" Because there wasn't a lot of people who were over at the paddock, and I was like, "Okay, sure, I'll sit in it." And it's tight. That's a tight fit. You think you remember a click of that? Oh, nice. That's cool. Maybe I did send it then. Wait, when did I send that? I didn't upload it. Did I send it in Discord? Just a video of my friend inside the Dark Horse GT, whatever, GT4? Yeah. Oh, well, cool. That's fun. Well, never mind then. I'll stop bragging about that. does anybody mind? I know JJ's kind of busy with this exploding Ferrari. So Cogster or Cryptic, whoever is here, do you guys mind spawning as a cow? I just wanted to see what breaks because I don't think it's going to work, to be honest. All right, Cryptic. That works. I don't know why I read that wrong. All right, it's broken again. What the heck? See that? Like, the names aren't above the character anymore. That is so weird. All right, hold on a second. Let me try to see if it is... Hold on a second. I'll get to the bottom of this. That's really weird. All right, so on update. Oh, the stupid refresh doesn't work. Wait, now it does work. What? Wait, when did your name... If anybody's watching the video, I'm not looking at the screen, but I just looked over at my stream. And when did your name, Cryptic, pop up over your head there? Because that is some freaky stuff. That should not have happened. All right, we're going to try this again. All right, Cryptic. I'm killing you. Cryptic, can you spawn again? I think I might know. Hey, at least it says around a minute ago there's a ghost in the code. All right, at least on the bright side, you guys couldn't see it. I'm going to actually move this down. What up, Lyra? Good to see you. Cryptic is back. Okay, I'm going to try something real quick and see if that worked. If I save this, nothing happens. If I save this, I did it. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, hey, thank you for thinking that it's cool, Lyra. Actually, you're new to the stream. I haven't seen your name before unless you've rechanged your username. But glad you think it's cool. Welcome. Okay, so for some reason, when I do a refresh on my code, just came up on the recommended. Oh no, did I just get fed onto the YouTube algorithm? That's not good. I'm not trying to be, have a lot of people on this stream, but welcome. What up, JJ? Interesting. All right, I think I see the problem. There is a bug where I have to refresh the whole script for your names and everything else to kind of pop up and start working again. Oh, what up, Stu? Oh, no. This again? How come every time? Okay. While you guys, whoever's new here, you're going to listen to me ramble and rant because I have other content on my channel that I kind of care about. But for some reason, every time I stream something that I don't care about and I don't want people to kind of pop in, I only kind of want the people that I like and know from the Discord channel, from the general community to kind of help me out, bug fixing. Because it's kind of boring, like you're just watching me code and shoot at cows. And for some reason, the YouTube algorithm decides to start recommending me to random people whenever I'm trying to just kind of chill. But it's fine, it's fine. But whenever I have actual official streams and fun stuff, no one cares. No one pops up. But I'm not that mad. I'm literally, 9.3K. I'm just losing subscribers on the daily. Yeah, I just refreshed the code, JJ, so that you can have a name. But it's nice background noise. I'm glad you think I'm a nice background noise, Cockster. Hopefully, one day I'll be at the point where you can actually fall asleep to me playing a game. I do think I do have that Oh my goodness. Lyra's new here. Why would you do that? Alright, you're all dead. I'm gonna be honest, that probably broke the script. Alright, you guys can come back. I need to fix this bug real quick so that you guys can come back properly. Hold on a second. You're playing old school. Are you seriously watching? Alright, never mind. I'm not gonna get into that. So I just recently... Okay, first of all, you're gonna make me disable explosions. Hold on a second. I'm trying to talk to my new viewers here. But I used to play a lot of OSRS, and then I had to actually recently tell myself to stop playing because I got too addicted and it started affecting my actual life, if that makes sense. So I no longer do OSRS. I broke the game. I'm gonna have to restart. There's something broken with this. I'll have to check that later. But yeah, no, enjoy yourself. Yeah, you might want to disable explodes. I mean, I feel like, who is it? Is it what, just 4 or 5 of you guys watching right now? I think I can trust you guys enough to not explode your fellow chatters, okay? Do you think that's okay? Do you think you guys are mature and trustworthy / you know, cooperative enough to let me just hang out with you guys and try to fix the code while you guys can chat with each other, maybe like interact? I'll feed you guys some corn once I turn that back on. Coxter says immediately no. Okay. It's an immediate no. Maybe 1 or 2 explosions. JJ says we are. I trust JJ. Like, honestly, I will be. I'm never mind. I'm not going to say what I was going to say. But yeah, I trust JJ. So we'll see about Coxter, though. Who was that in that one stream that I made a video out of that just kept on blowing? Was that Space Cat that just kept on killing us no matter what? Cryptic says not. 1 or 200 explosions. Yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, man. I remember that. Space Cat was just destroying us all, and it kind of made me upset, but it worked out. All for the content or something like that. All right. I am now looking at my code. If you guys spawn in as walks, I can't do anything. I'm not going to be able to help you. I'm not going to be able to fix your code. Give me a second. I'm going to fix some things. I'm not going to pull up the code screen because you guys seem to have more fun watching you guys wander around and chat anyways. So, but if you guys want to see me writing code, let me know. I can easily switch the screen over. Cox over here trying to start a strike. All right. The first thing I wanted to fix was figuring out why I couldn't, what was it called? Use the, are you serious? I just heard an explosion in the background. All right. Oh, lovely. JJ, you menace. All right. Hang on. Chill a little bit. All right. I'm still not fixing the code, just so you know. If you guys can't see anything interesting or something's broken, that's on you. I'm trying to fix this bug so that you guys can see your names over your characters, or I say characters over your cows for now. Okay? All right. Who just hit me? All right. First of all, who was smart enough to read the description and then actually use the command properly to give me a little bit of damage there? That's actually hilarious. I'm looking at chat. Oh, that was Lyra. That's funny. Good job, Lyra. That's actually impressive. JJ forgot about the code. Seraph, just fly. Honestly, that's not a bad idea. All right, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use this nifty flying mod and go here like that. Now you guys can't attack me and you'll be stuck in whatever animation you are in because I haven't fixed that yet. Pipe kit it's not working on this code. Because this isn't the stream reader code. This is just the spawning walks code, not the actual full Jack and James, but I can't. That's a good throwback. Holy crap! You just gave me some PTSD when I saw that. Oh my goodness. Ugh. You're distracting me. Hold on. Let me fix things for you guys. I'm trying to do this for you. Who just fell to their death? I looked back at the stream. I just saw a cow go flying past my screen, and they just died. Oh. All right. That's rest in peace. Okay. All right. Anyways, what was I gonna do? I was going to fix the stupid. If I click this on refresh, CL on refresh, graphics loaded. That's so weird. I have a name tag GUI that. That's so weird. Okay, so essentially, ouch. I might need to restart the game, or not the game, but the level again, because I don't know who 939 was. Hey, does someone... I just need one person. Thank you. All right, Lyra, you're going to be my experimental cow, okay? In fact, we're going to just put you right in this wall. What? Lyra, no. This is why we're going to put you in a cage, okay? All right, we're putting you in a cage right now. There. Now you can't get out. I heard you moo, so that means that you did send a chat in. But for some reason, your username isn't showing up unless I refresh. JJ. No, Cockster, stop. No, do not explode. Please. You guys have very limited. Oh. This is all right. You guys wonder why I'm like, oh, why don't you upload videos? Why don't you get things done? Why don't you stream more? It's because of this. This is why. Also, you're gonna get killed by those turrets that I put down. Oh. Okay, I don't know who this is, but we're just going to assume that you're a real character. Okay. Oh, what up, William Vargo? Oh, I said in the Discord that that's been just postponed semi-permanently. Oh, it is UJJ. I just refreshed. Because it's just been an issue. I've been having issues trying to get this gang war stuff properly recorded. But good to see you here. Crypto says, huh? Wait, Seraph, hover over the fly tool. You want to see something. Are you talking about force build that I can like place down the fly tool? Yeah, that works. That's actually, I'm going to probably look at your code, Cogster, to see how you have that properly set up, because whenever I try to do that, it doesn't format properly. If that makes sense. So I'm going to look at your code. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to steal it. I'm just going to look at it to see how you do it. All right, you guys can stop making out over there. I don't know who's making out with each other. Looks like it's Lyra, Cryptic, and JJ all making out. Making a what in the world? What is this abomination that you guys are currently making? All right, yeah, you guys can just look at that for a while I look at the code. I think I have to go a little bit higher. There we go. There we go. Now you get the jiggles. Okay, so for some reason, the characters' names don't spawn over the proper stuff until I save and refresh the subclass walk character. So what I need to do is look at what happens when I refresh the walk. So server on refresh does nothing. It just prints out that. And then do I have a seal on refresh? Seal on refresh. It just prints out that. Weird. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I know what it is. So in my base class, I have an on refresh. What is this music? Hold on. We're just gonna skip that. So I have a on refresh that initializes the client once. And then on my client on init, I have, wow, that makes no sense. I might need to kill one of you guys and have you respawn so I can see exactly what the order is going on right now. Because currently the refresh doesn't actually change anything. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's right. No. So client on create. Do I have a client on init? I don't. Self on, because on init isn't a function, right? On init for a character is actually something that Scrap Mechanic did just for their internal messages, correct? The only thing that gets called in as an actual event is on create. Whoever is a mechanic expert, let me know. All right, no, you're right. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm not an idiot, but like kind of dumb, I guess. So now it calls client on init, and now things should work. All right, I see you guys are having some flirtatious moments or something. New to town, Jade is gonna show somebody around. That's funny. All right, I'm killing you all. Sorry, guys. Actually, hold on. One of you guys explode, and we can just kill all each other. Who's gonna do it first is a question. Oh, wait a minute. The script broke. Whoops. All right, I'm gonna have to kill you guys all manually and then reset the script. That's funny. Whoops, that's my bad. I'll need to fix that soon. All right. All right, script is restarted. I'm also going to change the gosh dang it didn't work. Are you serious? That should have worked. Ah, gosh dang it. It looks like you fixed the bug, Cockster. Whatever that bug was. Ugh, dang it, I thought I fixed that. I was so confident that that was a problem too. No, use it as a part. Look at it and hit E. All right. Oh, I see. So you can like pick up something. I see. Gotcha. Gotcha. Well, turns out that the bug was not fixed yet. So you guys stay around real quick. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this properly working. So client on init. Client on refresh. All right. Someone just dropped the bomb in there. I don't know who that was, but you guys can blame them for the problem. All right, I'll go lower so you guys don't fall to your death. How's that sound? There we go. Anyone who follows Seraph will die. Oh no. Please don't start a cult. Oh, well, you still fall to your death. Okay. I'll move a little bit closer to the ground. How's that? You just won't be able to see as much, so I guess you have to stay close in range if you want to be seen. There we go. All right. Someone do a /follow Sarah so that I can test some of this stuff out. I'm still looking at the code right now. Thank you, JJ. Appreciate it. All right. Looks like all three of you guys are back. And I'm going to do a... Oh, you know what might be happening? You know what might be happening? I think I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on a second. Server on refresh. Oh, no. That's not what I want. I want to go into here. Look at client on refresh. And gosh dang it. I didn't mean to do that. There's a client on init. Server on refresh. There's a server refresh. Oh, I do. Oh, I need to like refresh the whole dang thing. I see what's going on. I need to actually kill you guys, and then you guys need to respawn in if I want to see these changes properly work. So you guys can sort that out amongst yourselves. Whoever wants to, I guess, die and respawn. We explode at your command. Perfect. This isn't even like the main. Perfect. Thank you. Now, this isn't going to initially work, but I want to see what happens when you guys try to spawn in again. Give me a full. I'm just looking at the. What's it called here? This. down here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So any one of you, somebody, anybody, everybody, spawn as a walk real quick. All right, perfect, thank you. So right now it's saying walk character created, walk character refreshed, updating client data, PWC updating client data, walk unit to collision damage. Hey, look, is it working? Hey, someone's in the chat now. JJ, send a chat. Because Cryptic somehow died. I don't know how he died. We are the church to follow Seraph. Perfect. Hey, look at that. I think everything's working. Cryptic, you're dead. I don't think you can I don't think you can speak. All right, bugs fixed, everybody. Celebrate. Worship me for fixing that simple bug that should not have taken that long to fix. Woo. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, you guys can now see your names and chats without me having to refresh the page. Gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, Coxter's in. Cryptic says moo. Perfect. All right. Now, finally, I'm back to what I was originally trying to do, which was the on hover thing. I think I just remembered what I was trying to fix and like figure out was me being able to read your chats and then disable or turn off your messages based on the hover state. So how does one do that? Hover. Blah 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 blah. Print on hover. Oh yeah, I forgot this. The problem is though, is that I can't test out following Cryptic should work. If you try to follow another cow, that should work. Yes, it does work. Someone will have Cryptic will have to like flee or something, but it looks like it is trying to follow. It's not. No, it's working. Yeah. Yeah, Coxer, you're following Cryptic. See, we have strict diet of milk to show our loyalty. Thank you. Actually, here, try to attack him. Oh, never mind. JJ, you are the lone survivor. I wish I could pet you and just give you some corn or milk or something. If I can get some sun shakes or something like that, or milk. Is that a thing, actually? Is there a milk block? I don't think there is. Your loyalty saved me. Thank you, JJ. The non-believers were killed. Welcome back, Cryptic. All right. You meant to say corn, actually. All right, perfect. Yeah, corn will be your soul food. Corn is still disabled, and I will give you corn soon once I fix it. I just want to make sure that on hover works. And it looks like it is not working. All right. We're going to just check this out real quick. All right, this isn't looking. So raycast. No, it's working. What? It's working. Yeah, no, that's definitely working. So is char equals raycast result at get char. If char, then if check char equals char, then return true. I just heard someone explode and die. Which kind of sucks. Did you kill Lyra? May I have some oats, brother? Soon, brother, Cryptic. Yeah, Lyra's dead. why would you do that? All right, so you guys are gonna need to either kill yourselves and respawn because I can't check the updated code until you do. So I command thee as thine overlord. Kill yourself. In game. Welcome back, Lyra. Actually, Lyra can test this out. It looks like you wonder why. Oh, the attack didn't work. Okay, so I'll make a note. So, that attacking other cows isn't working. Is that what you're saying right now? I'll have to look into that and look into that. But, for some reason, my on hover ability isn't working. Hold on, I'm tracking. I'm doing another print statement. Oh no, it's working. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I got some H's, as you can probably see. Those H's means that I did hover over the proper cow. But for some reason, the base... For some reason... For some reason, the base, like... I might need to restart the map again for some reason, because it's not updating properly here whenever I do a refresh on the base character. That might be an issue with either scrap mechanic or something on my code where it's not properly updating the code live like it should. All right, you guys are attacking me. Thank you. I appreciate it. Is hovering then if self-player player is hovering is true. Okay. All right. We're going to do a quick refresh. I'm going to kill you all. Goodbye. 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 On here. I should have probably updated the genre instead of just the mood. All right. So blah, 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 blah. Player walk character. I heard someone explode. Please, I'm looking at the code right now. I can't even see what's going on. So if something is broken, I cannot even help you fix that. Hold on a second. Just give me a few more seconds, okay? I am trying to excuse me. Wow. What I'm trying to do right now, I know this is kind of boring. I'm not saying much. We're just kind of listening to music and you guys are doing your own thing in the background. I'm trying to change the text color so that you guys can kind of see who actually died, if that makes sense. So that we can get a better view on actually who died. And that shouldn't take too long. I'm just doing that right now, actually. It's not going to be too bad. Self.username ... and text color ... space died. All right, so that's there. That's there. All right, we're back. Lyra says okay. I don't know what that okay is to be honest. I'm gonna go look at chat now and see what I freaking missed, because it's probably a lot or nothing. Let's see. I see a lot of people trying to attack each other, a lot of people trying to attack me, someone trying to spin. I don't know what spin is. You want a spin command so you can just spin around in circles? That'd be actually hilarious. All right, cryptic spawned as a walk. All right. That's actually not a bad idea. I'm gonna make a note for that. I don't know how I would be able to do that though, because that's like a really how would I be able to? I guess I could, because right now I can only control your characters through go to commands. I can make you go to a certain one, so maybe I make you guys go to a like a circle every few ticks, just kind of like a circle around, and it just makes you guys start spinning around in circles. That might not be a bad idea, actually. Yeah, I think I can do that. I can't do that right now because that would actually take a lot longer than I think it would, and I think I would try and then it would just go horribly wrong. Okay, so the attack commands on each other also works, correct? The attack commands on Seraph works. The follow commands on each other works. When someone dies, that text should work. What am I missing? The on hover command. JJ plays as attacking cryptic. It didn't work. Oh. I see. Was it because you were too far, or were you too close to them? Try it again, JJ. Because you guys were like really close to each other. I wonder if it was because your distance was too short. Okay. I need to fix that. I'm going to make a note. Okay. Fix attack commands at close distance. So it seems like it only works when you are like, ouch. Come on now. I didn't say do it to me. It seems like it only works when you're a certain distance away from the person you're trying to attack. So I'll make a note to fix that. Cryptic's dead. And the attack's properly updated. Okay, look at that. Adding new features on stream. Look at me actually being productive. Can't believe it. All right, so let's see here. We now got 4 cars. Uh-oh. What idea do you have, Sarah or JJ? Yelling out my name like that. We could set up duels. Now that would be interesting. Like a little cow duel thing. What up, Cockster? Like you put you guys in an arena and you have to like move around at certain spots and then do attacks, but it gives you guys more health and stuff. So maybe even set up corn in certain areas so you can get more health. Follow, flee, then attack. Oh, wow. Now that would be crazy. I don't know how many people would be able to handle that. You think it would take some people, like high functioning, smart people like you, JJ, to be able to do it? Make them be able to eat the fly tool if I place it down. And then make them float for a bit. See, that's an idea, actually. I can just, if you give me the UUID, I can actually find it. I just need the UUID that you used for the fly tool, and then just make them start floating after they eat something like that. That's not a hard idea. But that's hilarious. Um, that's not a bad idea. I like it. Setting up a little like a battle royale, even like we can even do like duels, but also a battle royale where it's just every cow against each other. Yeah, Coxter, if you're on the Discord, send it to me on there. If not, then I guess I'll copy paste it from chat. But doing some sort of like battle, all out battle where everyone's just trying to kill each other would also be a great idea. Oh, or that, you know, just a suicide bomber to explode everybody all at once. Who sent that? JJ? Of course. Everybody's dead. And now I lost track of what I was trying to do the on hover. That's why. Here, hold on a second. I'm going to have to restart the game. Killing you, JJ. And then we're going to do a quick reset of the map. You say, ow. You're the one that exploded everybody. Don't you? You have no right to be asking for pity. We're going to close this debug a little bit more. True. Exactly. Okay. Game is restarted. Game Master is down. I should be able to check if I'm hovering over top of somebody now. Yep. Perfect. I did it. Oh, I knew it. All right. I can now hover and unhover over somebody. So, with this, I can now, what do I need to do? I need to set their chat to essentially nothing. Now the question is, I need to do a self send to network SV set chat to blank. I feel like this can go wrong though, because if someone sends a new chat while I'm hovering over them, then it can delete it. So there might need to be some sort of cooldown, if that makes sense. But for now, I'm just gonna have it just do it immediate without a cooldown, because I don't want to set up a cooldown, because that just sounds annoying. Actually, I can just do this on send to client, can't I? I think I can just set client data. Let's see. Ooh, Lyra with the coding knowledge. Cryptic. Wait, you think there's a set facing direction method? Oh, wait, really? Wait, is there actually a set facing direction in the API for Scrap Mechanic? Because that would be great for the spin. I'm assuming you're on the spin idea right now. Looks like it. Is it in the character class or unit class? What would it be on? Because I can... Or is it on the player class? Do you know which? Let's see. Unit. It's in unit. Okay. Unit class. That's not right. Spinning is how we praise King Seraph. All right. Do you guys want me to try to code this in on like right now on stream? I'm not seeing it right now for some reason. I don't see the that ice. Sure, he says. That doesn't sound very convincing. Unit class. I can on create. I can on update. I can on unit update. I can set on changed color. Let's see. sm.unit. I can create state, destroy, get character, get movement direction, thin character event, set facing direction. I found it. I found it. Thank you. All right. Okay. Actually, this might be good. Looks like it's a Vec 3 too, so I can just literally do a spinning vector of some sort. All right. And then set hearing data. Okay, hold on a second. Do you guys want to watch me code? Or do you guys want me have the screen on you guys while I'm coding? Walk screen. You love code and you love cows. I wish I could do both. Maybe I can do both somehow. Lyra doesn't care. Can I do both? Yep, there it is. There's a porque no los dos or something like that. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can try to set up both. A backflip command. A backflip would go hard. I'm not sure how possible that is. I'm gonna be honest. I would have to probably set some sort of exerting force in front of you to try to make you go backwards, but you'd probably just end up landing on your head and dying. So, I mean, if sure. All right, we're gonna do that. You guys are gonna have to like do that. How's that? Is that a good screen? Let's see. Have code in one part, the code in the other. Add console in separate window 2 covering it. It's covering the screen is a tad annoying. I agree. JJ's trying to eat somebody. Cryptic says, pardon me. Oh, what up, Cockster? Okay, so in order to do a unit spin, it's going to have to be unit specific for sure. So I'm going to have to open up the... Oh, I don't have this yet. I need to do a base state, a base class for the units too. Right now I have everything walk specific. But if I make a unit class that can do everything, so that like spinning is one thing, attacking is another, and when it tries to do attacks, it'll either shoot or melee damage. Okay, I'm going to make a note to do that later, but right now we're just going to do a very rough and dirty, hard-coded to... All right, who exploded everybody? I just got distracted. All right. So now you guys can't see each other because you guys spawned without... I need to also update the spawn command so that you guys can actually... what's it called? Spawn in a certain location on a grid instead of just spawning randomly above me and then falling to your death like that. That would probably be... Defenestrate. JJ's trying to throw people out a window over here. All right. All right. So walk unit.lua. We're going to open this up. Make it send a raycast down. And then spawn on the floor. Yeah, I literally thought about doing that, but said, you know, it's more fun to watch them plop on the ground for fun. And the reason why you guys die so fast is because I gave you guys 0 health. And that was on purpose from the last stream instead of giving you guys more health like normal. Yeah. So like I can do that. I just haven't set that up because I was 1 being lazy, but 2 because I could. But no, let's not get distracted. We're going to do spinning, okay? You guys asked for spinning. We're going to do spinning, okay? All right. So that means we need to make a new state entity called the spin state. Right now we have a roam, we have a flee, we have an idle, we have a pathing, we have an eat, tumble, crushing. So let's do spin. Let's see. Can we spawn milk with slash lactate? Excuse me. Wow. Sure. I'll put a note to do that. I have no idea why you'd want to spawn milk, but sure, we can add a lactate command. Add the eat sunshade ability right now. You gotta go. All right, later, Cockster. I won't be adding any of the custom sunshake stuff yet because that's just not part of the scope of this current project. But that is on the notes to do that. Alright. Kagi explodes himself out. I love it. That's a great exit. Let's see. Let's see. What should I do? Is there anything else that I need to do? You think you should buy a game? It looks fun to mod. Yeah, that's a double-edged sword. I'm gonna be honest. It's fun to mod. It's fun to play if you're smart, or not. I'll say smart. If you have the engineering, like, I guess, mindset. I wouldn't say if you don't need to be smart to play this game. It's fun no matter what. But, however, the updates are lacking. The modding is a bit weird. The physics are a bit funny. Oh yeah, Lyra hasn't seen any of the SMAR stuff, has they? That's actually funny. Oh no. I mean, I recommend playing the game, but if you really want to see some mods, I do recommend. Also, it depends on what you like. You like cars? You like self-driving, I guess, quote-unquote AI vehicles? No? If you do, then I highly recommend looking at my channel for some of the SMAR stuff. Otherwise, we can show it on stream here soon. I just wanted to get the spinning stuff working, and then we'll go to SMAR. SMAR is next. Don't you worry. I do have to pee, though, at some point. And grab some more water, because I've been drinking a lot lately. Moo. Thank you. All right, spin state is created. Should we do it? You're used to using bad APIs, so whatever. Oh, perfect. Then you're gonna love Scrap Mechanic. If you like bad APIs and bad physics and just bad single-threaded calculations with Lua, this is the game for you. Anyways, question is, should I make a timer for spinning? Like, if you do a slash spin, you only spin for a certain amount of seconds? Or should I make it so that you spin indefinitely until, I don't know, you do another command or slash stop or something like that? Forever. Okay, we got forever. Okay, perfect. Self.spin timer equals timer. Let's see. Self.spin update rate equals, let's say you change directions every quarter second. We can play around with this. So for now, we're just going to do like 0. We're going to do like 1 or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. No amount of spitting praise will be enough. Thank you. I appreciate the praise of spin. So spin update rate. We're just going to have that there for now until we figure out what the heck is actually going to happen. But next is going to be the actual spin state and setting the state. I believe if I are...
If you repeat the command, it should go faster. Okay, now that's a great idea. Hold on a second. Yeah, so we're gonna have like a slow spin speed, and then it's just gonna increase. Okay, that'll take a little bit more coding, of course. I mean, you guys know how it goes. Increased scope creep will make things take longer, as the coding handbook says. But for now, let's just try to get spinning in general. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be focusing on. Actually, right after this break of me hitting the restroom and grabbing another water bottle. So have fun amongst each other, I guess, for the next 30 seconds. And I'm back. So, all right, what did I miss? Hopefully nothing important. Also, guess what just happened, everybody? You won't believe it. I'll give you $5 if you can guess. It has something to do with my current setup and me sitting back down. Yo, Procraft. What up, Procraft? Good to see ya. Did Procraft just come in without while nothing was happening? Let's see. The gas piston in my chair exploded. I sat on a mouse. No, but close. I ended up sitting on the tip of my headphones, and now I am broken on one ear. So, yeah, that sucks. I'm upset about that. Anyways, so back to what we were trying to do. Can you guys not see Kit surround sound? Can you guys see this at all? Can you guys see the coding on my screen? I'm looking at the stream right now, and it's looking like there is... Oh, never mind. It's paused. It's like behind by a lot. That's why. We're turning off the console again. Yes, yes, yes. You can see VSC. All right. All right, you guys are back. I can see you guys having fun here. We're just gonna leave you guys to view the grass there. Spinning. That's what I was doing. All right, back to work. All right. Okay, so I believe on the server on unit update is where a lot of the... Oh, actually, I can enable corn here, I believe. As well, once I get there. But this is where all of the states are constantly updated. Somebody just fell out of the sky. It was cryptic. Welcome. And someone is trying to attack JJ. Is JJ dead? JJ, I don't think you're in here. Or you're behind the fence. There's JJ. Okay, back to work. If we're looking at previous states, no, this is just corn state stuff. Ouch. You just fled Procraft into the turret. That's hilarious. Oh, man. Cryptic is just going off on a little side quest out there. Where was I? I was doing something specifically. Oh, yeah. I was trying to find out where I can, what's it called? Do the spinning stuff? Function walk unit dot sv underscore spin self rate self dot current state dot stop. So the current state equals self dot spin state, and then I need to do a. Your name is so long, you have an advantage in attacking. I believe you can. Oh. Try using the @ signs. I believe I might have fixed that recently. Try using @ instead, so that you can kind of tab complete their names. And if that doesn't work, then I can fix that, because I'm pretty sure that is a new feature that I recently somewhat added. Can we have a command to give someone corn? Yes, I guess you can, but I don't know. Oh, you on the phone? Oh, yeah, that makes it harder. I guess you can. I just don't know how that would work. Like, you can just spawn corn somewhere. Feed me. We can do that later, though. That command is not in there, and it's, of course, like I said, it's not easy to just write these out really quickly. So, one step at a time. Yeah, Leroy, you're dead. Sorry. I think you got blown up or attacked by somebody. There we go. Welcome back. I'm glad that's working, so it knows that you're dead and it tracks properly. Skinny gods have taken a liking to me. That's funny. Oh, welcome back, Cockster. I thought you had to go. All right. Okay, now officially. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to be updating the camera. You guys are now on your own in terms of getting yourselves into the view screen. I'm going to move up a little bit higher. Okay? Oh, maybe not that high. Maybe not that high. All right. So I'm now going to be down here. And now if you guys kill me, that's on you. I'm not changing the camera. I'm going to be looking at the code so that I can properly get the spinning properly working. Okay? Cool. Let's see here. So right now I am looking for the place where I have my states going. So right here. So if done or abort state, then if free from previous state equals current state. If target corn, save, roam. All right. So let's go before this flee state. Actually, where do I do my attack state? Hold on. I have an attack state as well. Oh, that's because this is the wrong stupid. Oh, I'm an idiot. Sorry, guys. I'm stupid. I'm doing this in the main the main walk function or main walk unit file. I have a custom a custom walk unit right here that I completely didn't think about. So we're gonna go into here. We're gonna go and undo all of this. Wow, I was wondering why like nothing looked right. Cause I'm like, oh, none of this stuff seems like it should be like this because I was looking at the wrong file. Of course. So let's go back and start this from the semi beginning. All right. So roam state, attack state, combat state, and pathing state, eat state, and then we're going to add the spin state back down here. Right there. Yo, what up, Sewell? Is JJ dead? I don't know. I can't tell. I'm not looking at the camera. All right, fine. I'll look down a little bit. Let's see. Whoa, did your walk just go super speed? Maybe. It has a pretty fast sprint state. It's faster than the human player. What up, Sewell? I'm just messing around with some code while these people mess around with each other. In case you were wondering what's going on. So let's go back now and turn on corn if I can find it. Those dice do put in, and you exploded me as well. Thank you. Good job. I'm proud. Nice try, Procraft. Nice try. Oh, JJ going for the kill. JJ's going for the kill. Here it comes. There he goes. JJ killed Procraft. Unfortunate. Would you guys stop blowing me up? All right. One of these days, I'm going to figure out how to turn off explosions and turn it off. Lyra, you are stuck on the other side of the wall. In case you were looking and wondering where you were. You are way over yonder. I moved up a little bit high, so if you spawn now, you'll probably fall to your death. Oh, Lyra has been past the wall. He's good. And Lyra has just got exploded. I said he. Sorry. He, she, they. I'll just say they. I'm not going to gender people now. All right. So. What is next? It is looking at the... following is to go... All right, let's go right here. Man, this is actually complicated. I forgot. Man, I haven't looked at this code in so long. I probably should have looked at this off stream so that I kind of knew what was going on. But from the looks of it, it looks like we have a lot of different states for she, her if you want to. All right, thank you. I will remember that. But just make sure you don't change your username, Lyra, or at least keep Lyra in it so that I can remember that, because people will do that, give me their pronouns, but then change their usernames and then get mad at me if I say the wrong pronouns or don't remember because they completely changed who they were. So appreciate it. Let's see here. Let's see here. No. Is go to is following. Flee from. Roam timer is following. Is go to. Sewell, are you in? Sewell's in. All right. Thanks, Lyra. Is it cold where you guys are? Is it now like peak fall weather? This is sort of a side quest sidebar. is I recently drove to Florida. And when I say drove to Florida, I mean drove to Key West, Florida, which is the very tip of the Keys of Florida. And that is the furthest direction you can go in that direction on U.S. interstates. So JJ went to Washington from 110 to, yeah, no, that's not nuts. Like, literally, that's the same thing. I'm in Ohio right now, right? So it was 23 or 22 or 21 hours and some change, depending on how you took it. But I made the drive in 22 or 23 hours. And it was nuts. Yeah, so it's crazy how this sort of weather is going. But the vacation was honestly so nice and much needed. This is where part of me wishes I had an After Dark channel or a sort of like adult content center channel to just kind of go about what's going on in my life, because I'm much older than many of you and want to talk about way more things than I currently do. I kind of say some stuff on the Discord, but not too much. But like, what was I doing? Here we go. Like, it's just one of those things where I had a lot of fun, met a lot of really cool people, and I did some stuff I should probably regret, but I kind of don't. But it was fun. It was a good time. And it was really warm. And then I drove back here the next day. I got back in the other night, and I'm freezing. It's cold over here now. Like, goodness. Self.spinning is, we're going to call it is spin as a state. We're going to have that as a walk spin print. And then we're going to have a, it looks like this is my during. Dot. There we go. So now we have those properly there. I'm going to go back up to my initial. Smoking all these ops. Backflip. That was awesome. Wait, JJ, did you just do a backflip? You hope you go back to Arizona this year. It was so nice during winter there. I know, right? Arizona in the winter is probably one of the best places and probably fondest memories that I've had. I'm going to be honest. Like, I went up to, oh, I don't want to say Glendale. Glendale doesn't sound right. Is Glendale right, JJ? Does Glendale sound like a right place? It's in the mountains right outside of Phoenix somewhere. And it was so nice in the winter because it was like just warm but just cool, and it was just like, oh, I don't know, it was perfect. Yeah, Flagstaff, Glendale, and like, I think it's west. I think Glendale's west. But playing GTA 5 IRL. What are you guys doing over here? I've been looking at this, like looking at the. Get on backtrack to the spinning. All right, fine. I got distracted thinking about the weather in Arizona and Florida. I just got back from vacation, so I'm just happy and, like, you know, having a good time. Self.isSpin equals false. Spin update right. Let's call this spin speed equals, let's say 1 is the slowest speed, and then like 10 will be the fastest or something like that. So now, every time that is spin is called, it will go into a spin state. Say self.sv.spin, self.current state equals stop, self.spin state blah blah, self.isSpin equals true. So now we know that it is current state blah blah, and then self.current state Start. So now it starts the spin state. I have no idea, honestly, what this does. I think this is something way more complicated than I think it is, and I really don't need it for something as simple as spinning a character around in circles. But that's fine. And then what I'm going to do is add a comment to do. Add an if statement so that if spin is already X started, comma, it increases spin speed. So that way, every time this gets called, it increases the speed of the spin. But I'll add that in later. I want to just make sure that we can actually get the guy spinning in general. Can't wait till we get 100 viewers for these streams. I honestly, hold on a second. Let's see. Went to a car auction with your dad. Oh, that's fun. That's actually really cool. I've always wanted to go to a car auction. And I was actually supposed to go to a car auction with my ex-girlfriend's father. We were actually really tight. But then she was, I'm not going to say, but if I had another channel to describe it, we broke up. I'll just say that. And so I never got to go to an auction. That made me very sad. Seraph is a walk part of SM Racers. The walk is not a part of the SM Racers mod, but you can load them both together and have them working together at some point. Right now, this world does have both together, and I will be getting to that, assuming I don't die. Can't wait till we get 100 viewers. Yeah, I honestly, that'll be crazy. Attack at Lyra. Did that @ sign work, Sewell? I'm not sure if it did or not. I don't know. I'll have to double check about spaces and usernames and see how that works. I haven't forgot how I validated the text. Seraph, you should let us spawn in as the crowd in small races. Well, see, I would love that. See, that was one of the main things I wanted to do for Generation 8. However, the problem is, what is that going to do? Like, you can spawn in as cows and you can be in your own corral. I guess we can make you walk out into the track, but that will just ruin the race if you get hit by a car and the car goes flying. Makes it kind of fun. Like, we can do that. Maybe do a crowd corral during the live streams of the practice sessions and maybe even the race sessions. Maybe. Actually, that might be a good idea during practice sessions, just for funsies. You think 100 walks would be quite chaotic? It is, actually, Lyra. If you were here earlier, I wish you were here earlier. 100 walks actually destroyed my computer, and I tried doing it with fake people and real people, and they all spawned in a bunch of stuff. It was fun, but it was definitely chaotic. You just recommended putting a custom type race into the walk grid games. That's actually a good idea. That's actually a great idea. What mod is it? Might head to another auction in Arizona soon. That would be fun. Also, people are flying to their deaths. I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to go and move down a little bit more. Let's see. Nah, we can just entertain ourselves. True. Yeah, you can entertain yourselves by hanging around knowing that you're on stream, on camera, I guess. What mod is it? Are you talking about the walk mod? The walk mod is not public yet. Seraph, I'm too high up. Yeah, I am. I noticed that. Are you guys good now? Okay, perfect. Okay, I think I'm caught up with chat. Sorry about that. I was working on some code. And Auntie Anne's pretzels are peak. Ooh. See, those are both real words, but also fighting words. Because, one, I'm not a biggest fan of pretzels. However, their sweet pretzels that they can do with sugar instead of their salt, those get me going. So, yeah, no, honestly, no, he's right. I will say those are a W. Yeah, cinnamon is the best. Yeah, no, I agree. You want to see if you could add the ability to eat your shakes yourself? You know, man, I should. Should I publish this? The yogurt covers are the best. Yeah, yogurt covered are good. I don't know about the best, but they are definitely up there. I need to make a tier list. Someone give me like all the different types of pretzels, and I'll make a tier list for you guys, and you guys can just hate on me. Yeah, I wonder. I could probably publish it. The problem is though, I don't want people to have too much of it because one, it has a lot of unfinished and broken code that, you know, won't work. So maybe I'll make it unlisted and just give it to you, Coxter. How does that sound? What if I just make it so it's just kind of like for developers only who want to work on it? And then they can have stuff like that. But I won't do that right now. I'll probably do it either after the stream or tomorrow when I'm not as, you know, brain rotted. You kind of want to see the code, Lyra. Oh, Lyra, yeah. Since you don't have the game, you don't even know how that works. So essentially, I do have a GitHub actually for my auto racers, or my AI auto. I call them AI. My self-driving racers. I have a GitHub for that and everything else, but I don't have a GitHub for this code. However, I could put this on GitHub too as well. If you publish it, make sure to be able to use the chat commands. Make sure to be able to use all the chat commands in game. Publish it so you can steal it. And you add the ability to use the chat commands in quote game. You can't live stream, so you can't use commands currently. If you already get it up. Okay. Right now, the spawn walk command is in game. I just have it spawn p walk instead of /spawn walk. The walk controls mod doesn't actually work, so like I don't have like a /go_to in game, but I can definitely add that. The problem is though, how would you know which walk to control? Should you just spawn in a walk that has the same username as your current username? You know what I mean? There's different nuances. Like, that's a good idea. So right now you can spawn in like the custom walks, but like spawning in shatters is like hard to kind of figure out. So maybe I'll just have it so you can only spawn in your own username as a walk, and then you can control it with in-game chats. I'll make a note for that real quick. I'm doing so much less coding and doing way more notes than actual coding, but I blame the chat. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, so now spinning. Look at that. We're almost like 45 minutes in, and we're now just getting to the part where I can start adding the spin command to the actual stream reader itself. Where should I put it is a question. Let's put it right next to explode. I feel like that sounds about right. So if I copy the explode command, then is the stream chat? Oh, stream chat got broken. Sorry guys. I need to figure that out. I need to put a try catch around that. I think there's something that goes wrong. I need to debug that later, but I will I just restarted it, so now you guys can actually do stuff in chat if you guys wanted to do that. See, publishing. You're just enjoying taquitos dipped in check. Oh man, please. All right, this is not gonna work. I know the people that are in my chat and my community hates me, but I am currently starving right now. So I kindly ask that nobody mentions food in the chat. Just for me, just so that I don't end the stream and get food. Okay. So really, this is just for you, because if I get too hungry and like triggered enough from the amount of food that I think about and see, I will end the stream to go get food. Okay, so I'm glad you're enjoying your taquitos, but from now on, starting right now, please limit the amount of food related what's it called, food related stuff. Send unit spin, there we go.
All right. Once the spin command is done, we just need to make a walk tornado. Oh shoot, man, these cinnamon. Oh yeah, frick you, Soul. Attack 22. Oh wow. Okay, Lyra, I'm surprised you saw that code. You're the only one actually looking at the code right now. Attack 22 does not work, as you can see, but that's very impressive that you saw that and are trying that. Did that do anything, actually? I don't think that would have done anything. I'm going to be honest. I don't think that did, but that's that's impressive. Oh, man. Here, I'm going to go. I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. Let's see. Just give me your address and we'll get you some. Is it supposed to be spin? Yeah, you figured that out. Yeah, nothing. Yeah. No, attack 22 isn't supposed to be spin. At least not yet. But attack 22 is a placeholder. In case you cared, I know you're the actual coder here, Lyra. Because she's actually the cool one. I mean, I guess Cogster does some coding, Procraft does a little bit, but she seems to be the actual like developer of the bunch. But attack 22 is a placeholder for something else I'm going to be doing soon. Okay, spinning cow. I just got exploded. Who died? I don't know who died. And who just hit me? Was that you, Procraft? Don't walk away like nothing happened. Man, there's way too much. I'm gonna have to throw away these tasty, yummy, sugary. All right. First of all, Soul, please. You have done more coding than just your fly mod. No, I figured. Actually, you know what? Cogster, we'll count you as one of the developers. You know, I feel like this chat is filled with developers and non-developers. So far, it's Lyra and Cogster. I remember, Cogster, when you just started coding and you texted me or sent me a DM about like, hey, can you send me this or do something? I forget what you sent. And that made me so happy that you were starting. And now look at you. Freaking fly modding and other stuff going on. Also, all of you are freaking dead. Who did that? Okay, I don't know who did that, but blame whoever did that. JJ? Welcome back, everybody. All right, Soul, please shut the frick up. You're gonna make me actually hungry. I know you're doing this out of irony, but I am actually kind of hungry. Oh wow, Soul just got murdered. Let's see. You never messaged me in it? Oh, I'm sorry, Cogster. I am so sorry, Cogster. That was Procraft. That's my bad. Yeah, no, you never DM'd me anything, Cogster, but I do know something happened. Oh, that's my bad. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to confuse you guys, but Lyra. All right, I'm going to put a hit on Lyra. If she spawns, you know what to do. That's all I'm saying. Yo, it's just me. The lone survivor of this terrorist attack that's going on. I spawned a little bit too high. All right. Note to self, I'm going to give you guys a little bit more health so you don't fall to your death. But I'll do that later. All right. Are you guys going to let me code now? Or are we going to be good? Can we be behaved for at least 3 more minutes? How's that sound? Good? Okay, cool. Perfect. Not enough time for a stream delay for you guys to answer, but we're just going to say... All right, and I got exploded immediately. All right, perfect. Well, frick off. I'm not doing anything. You guys are going to have to live with me. Here, I'll move my camera like this. You guys are going to have to live with that. Okay? So, if you guys can't see yourselves on screen, then that is that is on you. Okay. So, right now I see send unit explode. That works. I want to do a send unit spin. I believe the send unit spin
is not in this file. What? Is it in the world file? Oh, it's in the game file. Oh shoot, I forgot. I hate the way that Scrap Mechanic set up its game, like its hierarchy of commands. This curry with ranch and drowned with Dr. Wait, what? You're eating curry and ranch and Dr. Pepper. That doesn't that I guess that sounds okay. You know, I'm not gonna say that makes me hungry, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now we have this here. I'm gonna add a new function called. Oh, you guys can't even see that because my code is like way up to the top. I don't have it actually there. So send unit spin is gonna be the thing. If your unit blah 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 sv. Let's see, make spin, and that's that. That is that, and then now I need to go to my unit manager right here and find make explode, and then copy make explode, replace it with make spin here. Procraft, Seraph, do you count as a developer? Yeah, you do. You do. I remember you were working on some stuff too. I don't know what you've been doing recently. If you've published a workshop mod, let me know and I'll happily check it out. That's not a problem. But I wouldn't say that doesn't make you a developer. If you've tried, if you've learned a little bit of coding, then that's just fine. Man, we should watch some Gordon Ramsay cooking shows. Just torture myself. Yeah, no, frick off, Soul. That was an attempt to spoil my appetite. Oh, thank you, JJ. It kind of worked. I'm going to be honest. I'm not super hungry anymore. You're a JavaScript programmer? Oh, that counts. JavaScript is a language of all times. I will say that. Many people hate on JavaScript. I'm not going to go into the whole politics of coding languages and whatnot and IDEs and whatnot. But I will say I started my programming and I still do programming for work in JavaScript sometimes. So I really can't hate. So unit data, users not found, blah. Unit, if it exists, send to unit, sm, receive event it, spin. Boom. All right. We're almost there, guys. We are now sending the spin event from the stream reader to the cow itself. So now all we got to do is find where this happens. Hold on. You do a bunch of web stuff in Vanilla.js because you hate the state of current front end, right? Thank you, Lyra. Oh my goodness, she's incredible. Where have you been my whole career? I'm just kidding. This is not my career. I'm a software developer for full time. This is kind of a side fun job. But seriously though, like I do Vanilla.js. I will live and die by that book because many people, they have so many modules, so many packages, so many like additions. I mean, TypeScript is okay. I won't hate on TypeScript. Like I like type stuff, but like they just all hate on JavaScript because they import so much stuff and then think it's all crazy complex. But if you just do raw JavaScript and then do a little bit of HTML if you want to do some web dev stuff, then you're fine. Like there's, I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, so thank you. Wow. I appreciate you. You're awesome. Let's see. You think it's dumb that people think HTML is in a language when it literally stands for hypertext markup. Okay. So I'm not going to debate you there, Procraft. HTML is definitely a language. It is not a oh, wait. Can someone check me on if they just tested they can make a Turing complete HTML thing, pure HTML script? Because if that's the case, then it is a language. But I'm pretty sure that you can't do Turing complete HTML. It's a markup language versus an actual programming language. There's a difference. I do know that. But anyways, we can talk about that later. Let's see. Seraph, there's multiple Souls. Soul, why are you multiply here? Soul, please stop. Wait, is this script broken? Oh shoot. Hold on. I think the script might be broken if there's multiple of you guys. Yeah, there is 2 of you. All right, hold on. Everybody explode. Everybody kill yourselves in game. Please. I think me messing with the code just like live while you guys are all actively using it messed up things. So no, Sul, it's not your fault. No, I didn't say that. I just thought Sul was the one that started it and people were calling you out. So you can't explode? No, never mind. Well, there you go. Now everybody's dead. So right now I am currently working on this right here. Self dot. Ooh. I don't think I need to do anything with a character. I think I just need to do a current event. Ooh, I'll make self that is following equals nil, so you don't follow anybody. Self flee from equals or also equals nil, and then self dot go to equals nil. Wait, is go to back? No, it shouldn't be. My IDE is wrong. That's fine. Let's go to equals nil. So now we're going to do self dot is spinning. All right, that was actually an incredible explosion to the drop of the music if you guys were paying attention to that. But okay. Let me look at chat real quick. I'm making some progress, but you know, you guys are quite distracting. I will say that. Also interesting, commands only affect the most recently spawned walk. That kind of makes sense if I'm thinking about the order of operations here, where it only looks for the first ID, and I think the last spawned walk only contains the first ID. Instead of trying to do them all, it doesn't look for all, it only searches for one of. So like if you're looking at an SQL query, it's not doing a select star, it's doing like a select one from the query, if that makes sense. So I believe it's defaulting to the last one that was created. Okay. Let's see. We can see if we can push Seraph over to the mountain. Okay, you know what, ProCrafts? I'll let you guys have that challenge. If you guys can get me anywhere interesting before I finish this code, which actually is going to be finished pretty soon, I'll give you a high five. I don't know. I don't know what to give you, but so is spin is now going to be set to true based on the event. Let's see. Would be cool though if you could have multiple walks following the same commands. Oh, that can be done. That can easily be done. I think for the sake of if I ever get popular, if I ever have a stream where there are like 100 people, there's no way that I would have that enabled. You know what I mean? But no, that's actually a good point, to have kind of like an army of walks doing your bidding. That'd be kind of fun too. Let's see. ProCraft, are you dead? Most likely. Oh, yeah, there you are. You're dead. Well, now you're alive. But yeah, having people be able to spawn in armies of bots or cows, that would be interesting. I'll make a note. I'm making a note. I hate this. Another note of work to do. Freaking. Need to add multiple. Add and control. multiple units. There we go. Okay. There's a closer place on the left. I don't know what that means, but I'm assuming that closer place is somewhere more fun. Okay, so now explode is done, or no, spin is done. And now all I need to do is go into the spin state constant updater, right? And man, you guys are actually sending me across the map. There is something going on here. How are you guys getting into the right positions to blow me up like that? Is that just kind of like a luck-based thing? Here it is, here it is, here it is. It's by chance. Dumb luck. I like it. Let's see here. Is following is spin. Okay, so now I have my state for is spin. That is there. Now, how should I make them spin? Because, you know what I mean? Like, what? I can't just have it. I'm going to have to keep track of what the current direction is. I need to keep track of what the current direction is. I need to keep track of how fast it's changing directions. Oh man, this is kind of rough. Oh, this is actually a little bit more work than I thought it was. Okay, so because right now the set facing direction, if I just pull in the set facing direction command, that should be self. I think it is self.unit/self facing direction. And then it takes in a vector. So if I do local new dir equals sim.vec3 dot new 0 0, we'll just do that for now, right? What I need to do is have this constantly updating the direction, but not too fast because it'll just, you know, freeze in one spot. So I need to have some sort of timer of some sort that updates the direction. No, wait, no, I don't. Maybe I don't need a timer. Maybe I can just have a multiplier. So all I need is a function that takes the tick time. I wish I had a whiteboard. I wish I had something that I could like draw this out, because all I need to do is have some sort of function that takes the time of, or not the time necessarily, but it takes the current direction and then multiplies it by the spin rate. And the spin rate will automatically make it do its sort of 360 movement. But I need a function that does that. Ugh. So, let's see, local current. Let's do that first. I'll look at your chat real quick. You guys might be giving me some good ideas right now. I'm gonna look at your chat soon. I'm just going to currently look at this right here. So I don't need timer necessarily. I can just do self dot per dir equals sm dot vec 3 dot new. We're gonna have 0 0. Oh, we'll have y1 and z0. So that is facing north, I believe. Y, if you're assuming y is north, z is up. So now I need a function that spins a unit around, that rotates. Oh, wait. Scrap Mechanic has that. Oh, I'm so lucky. Oh, my goodness. This got so much easier than I thought it was. I keep hearing explosions. I'm not looking at chat yet or looking at the screen yet, but I believe I can just do a let's see. Let's do this. Let's do self.spin_clock equals 0. And I'm pretty sure the vec3 has a rotate. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Oh, wow. That's so nice. Okay, so right now is spin. Uh-oh, wait a minute. If done or abort state. Oh, I think I'm in the wrong section of the code. Starts new state, but no run. So we're going to leave that there. Or I'll look at chat soon. Don't you guys worry. I'm almost there. I'm just kind of getting into my, not flow state, but like my hyper-focused coding mode. You guys can't really see it either because it's all like in this section of the screen. But I'm doing work. Don't you worry. So if spin test is running, local timer, or no, it's self.spin timer. What did I call it? Spin clock equals self.spin clock +1. So that's just increments the spin clock so that we are not at the same position. The new direction is going to be, no, what we can do is just do self.spin direction. No, was it cur direction? Cur equals self.cur. I think I can do a rotate. I think I can do a rotate Z, right? Because if I rotate around the Z axis, it just makes it spin in the X and Y. So if I do a rotate Z, vector is the self dot. No, I already have that since it's a class call. And then the angle is going to be, the default is going to be local angle equals self.spin. No, we don't need to do that. We can just do directly. Oh man, this is ugly. Like this isn't the most like cleanest code you can do, but if I can just do self.spin rate, right? What did I call it? Spin speed. And maybe have it increase the spin speed by like 5 degrees instead of 1 degree. All right. Further is there. Okay, that is the, I guess, the pre-alpha spin code done. If this doesn't work, then I know how to fix it. I now just need to go into my readsteam.py and add the new command. And just do this. Do spin. Make it cost 0. And that's just up here in case you guys were wondering. Spins unit. Repeated uses increases speed. I'll add the increased speed stuff later. Right now we're just going to work on the actual thing. So log out, log in, spin. I believe it's only working clockwise, so you guys can only spin in one direction, and that's just fine. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay. I'm kind of scared to look at chat. Where the frick am I? Wow, impressive. Okay, I'm going to go scroll up and look at chat now and answer any questions or see what happened. Let's see here. Let's see here. Got lots of explosions. Spawns right next to you. Explode. Lots of people exploding. Is there a getter for current orientation? There is a getter for current orientation. And that's not hard to do, but I don't think we need that in this instance. I don't mind it just going from a default location, if that makes sense. But you know what I mean. Your walk is having a seizure, although that's too bad. Let's see. Don't explode, please. That's a shame. That works too. Yep. Get current facing direction. Yep. Let's see. We're giving you some great ideas. Perfect. Explode Procraft. Yeah. Man, you guys are really into this. We are so close. What are you guys trying to do here? Let's see. You have a terrible position. You're going to have to do this one. You think same. If yours is bad, to attack me. You guys have to kill each other to be able to, like... Man, you guys are really... How come? Okay, riddle me this. I will have entire streams dedicated to helping me get to a goal that I set, right? You know what I mean? Like where I can say, hey, I need to reach this location. I need to grab the key so I can get to the warehouse. And then you guys are the most unorganized, unhelpful people I have ever met. Now I hear, hey, you know, I'll give you $5 if you send me over to the wall or something like that, just as a joke. And now you guys are all coordinating in chat on what in the world? What in the world? You guys are just now all of a sudden so coordinated. Oh man. Let's see here. That's because there's a lot more. Yeah, a lot more people that come to mess things up. Let's see. You're the most unorganized terrorist group. Indeed, exactly. This was for money? Guys, we must keep... I guess so. I guess you guys... I'm going to do some testing pretty soon. You get a high five, Seraph? I mean, to be fair, you did send me pretty far away from my original point. So maybe. JJ, I don't know where you are. If you're not dead, then you are somewhere. Okay, I haven't enabled spin yet. I'm about to go test out spin I need to restart the script and then that's pretty much it. And then we can start debugging. So what we're going to do now is switch back to the console view. Have main camera up here and have the console moved a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Spin, you think you're bugged? You know a bug with spin already. Well, of course you're going to know a bug with spin. Spin doesn't work. There are two consoles now. Never mind. All right, there you are. All right, JJ's back. Welcome back, JJ. Okay. So, I'm now going to be using this next 10, 20 minutes to debug the spin command. Procraft wants to know what is happening. Well... You're all dead. So I don't know. You're all dead. That's what's happening. Procraft is trying to attack me or follow me. And now he's dead too. You meant you were watching me code? Oh, shoot. All right, hit me. Tell me what's wrong with this code as I'm trying to, yeah. I can pull back up the code if you want. You know, JJ's onto something. Maybe we listen to him. He seems like he's onto something. We succeeded, I think. Typo in the command parsing section. Oh, frick. What did I... Of the Lua script. Stream leader Lua. We're going to go to VS Code here. Is it the /spin command? Oh, thank you. Wow, good call. Good call out. Appreciate it. See, this is what, man, I need people. You're my rubber ducky over here. I like it. Let's see. I don't know if that'll be, I might have to restart the world to get this to work. Hold on. You know, ChatGPT can't code for crap. That's all I'm saying, Soul. If you want something actually useful, you gotta have to do it yourself. I've tried, and I've tried, and I've tried. and it's just useless. You called that out like 20 minutes ago, LMAO. Did you actually? I'm so sorry, Lyra. I did not see that. I'm sorry. I thought I read all the chats, but I guess I might have missed it. That's my bad. All right, hey, look, we got our first error. Let's go. A freaking sandbox violation. Are you serious, game? Hold on a second. Frick. This game is the worst. Let's see. Base character Lua 108. Self.network. Set client data. Oh, frick. Hold on a second. I'm going to look at chat soon. I'm trying to fix this sandbox violation. Not my favorite part of this game, but it makes sense, I guess, to keep things protected from each other. Wow, did my music just stop? I think my music might have just stopped. How long have I been streaming? The fact that the playlist stopped. Also, who is in my face right now? It's Procraft. Let's see here. Sandbox violation was on 108 because self.network. If I do self.network, self.network dot send to server, and then SV receive event. All right, frick off. And then I have params.event equals blah, blah, blah. I think that's from my game or unit manager. Send to server. Chat data equals that. Sorry, I'm kind of quiet. I'm kind of focus mode trying to get this properly working. Okay, that might work. Hold on. I'm going to restart the game. And we're going to look at chat. Let's see. 3 hours. I've been spawning in for... oh, my gosh. I've been in for 3 hours. I'm still haven't given up to my hunger yet. Can you believe it? You guys should be really proud of me, honestly. Let's see. Who doesn't have a name? Seraph, spawn walk, / bin. All right. I have a feeling I'm still going to get a sandbox violation. Also, you guys should all not be here. So let me just kill you. Let's see. Yeah, Lyra, I'm glad you're here because the rest of us are just idiots who like to explode. Honestly. All right. Hold on a second. I got another sandbox violation. Hold on. Base character 108. Self.network. Network expect. Oh, I've got a colon instead of a... that makes me upset. That makes me so upset. I put a dot instead of a colon. All right. We go again, I guess. Actually, hold on. I think I can probably do this without you guys being here. Here, respawn yourselves real quick. You like to explode as well, Lyra. All right, let's see. Music. Let's do some electronic music, vocals, instrumentals, and play. All right, something broke again. Hold on a second. It's looking like it's not working still. When I say it's not working, it's doing this whole... Let me do that, my bad. It's doing the whole network expected got string. So Wait a minute. Do I not have a network at all? I should. Self.network. Self.network. Set client data. Self.network. Oh. It might be because I have to reset the game. That's my bad, guys. Hold on. I'm going to reset the... First of all, let me just kill everybody here that's trying to mess everything up. And then I'll reset. YouTube isn't liking your slash commands. All right, so if YouTube isn't liking your slash commands, then you're gonna have to change your prefix just like before. Yo, Seraph stream without a Wi-Fi network. Tell us your secrets. Yeah, no way. I'm just using all. Actually, that's impossible. Level what layer is network on? I mean, it's all the way up from layer 2, right? I don't know. Yeah, like an hour ago, you think you got rate limited by YouTube on your desktop. Okay, so the funny thing is, Lyra, actually about that is it's actually, yes, technically it is rate limiting from YouTube, but it's also because you start the way that they're like filtering your commands because you start off with a slash, if that makes sense. So I have it so that you can use a exclamation point, you can use a $sign, and I believe something else as well. And that like adds enough variety to the chat so it doesn't just completely stop you from sending chats. That's really stupid. I'm gonna be honest. But you can go back to your old laptop or computer or wherever you were on and try it with a different prefix on the command, and it should work. Eventually, I'm gonna move this over to Twitch so that we cannot have this issue because I hate how YouTube does that. But right now, it's just gonna be YouTube. So you're able to. Stop sending from any chat. Interesting. All right, I also got an error on the make spin method. So we can see here, send unit spin. It doesn't exist. What? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. The game is frozen, so please try not to spawn too much because it will freak out. I should not have said that because now you guys are gonna do it. Dang it. I also just got a message on Steam. I'll check that out later. Choo-choo. Game 836. SV make spin. No, that exists. Oh, I spelt it wrong. Wow. Wow. I think a bunch of explosions got layered on top of each other there. That was crazy. I think as it was frozen, all your explosions got added up, and then they all got played at the same time when I unfroze it. And now it just, wow, that's actually crazy. I now know how that bug works, and I know how to fix it, but it's just, I don't know if I want to fix that, to be honest. Worth it. Exactly. Totally worth it. Fix it? Question mark. All right, I won't fix it. Don't worry. Console says 17 out of 100. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it does that. All right, who's here? Lyra's here. Can you spin again? I might need to restart my game if this doesn't work. Ouch. Ouch. Bro. All right, make spin broke again. All right, make spin broke again. Okay, cool. Hold on. All right, we're good. All right, please chill. I'm freezing the game again. It's saying send unit spin. Make spin is okay. Doesn't exist. Oh my gosh. I can just see the chats going in. You guys are the worst. You guys are literally the worst. Okay. I'm gonna hope and pray that this is the most unsatisfying explosion that you guys have seen. Okay? I'm gonna be honest. I hope that nothing happens. I hope it just breaks the game or something. And you guys get nothing out of this except for breaking my game. So please get some help. Anyways, so it's saying make spin doesn't exist when in fact it does exist. I'm gonna need to restart my game. Okay, well, I'm gonna restart after I unfroze it. Okay, please stop. We're going to unpause really soon. We're gonna unpause in like 3 seconds. You guys ready? You guys got all your explosions in? You guys good? All right, 3, 2, 1. I hope nothing happens. Perfect. Nothing happened. You guys broke the game. In fact, this is what happened. You guys spammed it so much. All right, I'll give you guys another chance. Okay, I'm gonna do it, but do it for a lot shorter this time. Do some more explosions, but I'm gonna do it for like 5 seconds. I can't tell if he's mad at us or. You are kind of far away. All right, I'm gonna just play it again. You guys are kind of far. I don't think this will affect me at all. Oh no! Oh shoot! What did I do? What happened? Are you serious? Okay, guys, stop. Please stop sending commands. In fact, I'm gonna probably turn off that. Oh, frick. What happened? Now I don't know what happened. Oh. Well, I guess you guys broke my game. Good job. Good job. You guys done did it. The amount of explosions going through right now is, and I see a lot of JJ plays in there, to be honest. Hold on a second. We're going to go into VS Code real quick, and we're going to look at the actual file. And we're going to go into, I believe it was stream reader data, chatter data. No, that's just who spawned in. Streamchat.json. Yeah, there is something going on here. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna be honest. I think my game has crashed. Yep, my game has crashed. All right. Well, I'll. Good job, guys. I'm gonna be right back and restart the game. Good job. Good job, everybody. Frick off. I'm hungry. I'm too hungry for this. All right. It's still frozen. I can't even close it. Oh my goodness. Soft body Tetris. Yeah. All right. We're going to restart the game. People hate the Jiggly Tetris. I don't know why. They either hate it or love it. But I want to start doing more videos like this. I didn't make this one. This was made by my brother. But I want to start doing stuff like this and just making random backgrounds like that. Know what I mean? All right, Axolot logo was on my screen. I'll let you guys keep watching the Tetris until I get everything loaded back in completely. You know, the fact that Lyra knew what soft body Tetris was. What are you? Are you a game developer, Lyra? You said you did some JavaScript. Or are you just a general? I won't pry. I'm not gonna pry into your personal life. You do what you want. I'm not. I feel bad. I don't answer questions about me that much. I will answer some, but you just like writing code. All right, fair enough. That's fair. But all right, we are loading back in slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Okay, and we are coming back. Maybe we're not there yet, but getting there. If there is one consistent thing about devs, it's we love breaking each other's code. That is true. What is up with that? Is that just like a pride thing that people have, where it's just like there's you who know nothing about code and still loves to watch Seraph suffer? Get help, please. You have 4 words that could make you hate me. Let's see. Is it I love Rust? I don't know. I don't know what that could be. Honestly, I don't know what that could be. That could be anything. You use Arch, by the way. Oh. Why would that make you hate? Why would that make me hate you? I love Rust's 3 dingus. I know, it was a joke, okay? Jeez. Jeez. Anyways, we're back. Anyone else that wants to die? Just a funny stereotype. That's fair. That is a stereotype. I was going to say, that is definitely one of those things. It's like, you're in Windows right now? I use Arch. I specifically, for work, I only code in Linux or Unix-based stuff. So I'll use... I really like to use Vim. I don't know if you're an Emacs user or a Vim enjoyer, but Vim is my IDE. See, you thinking about switching from Windows? Not a huge fan of Microsoft right now. Yeah, me neither. I've never been a fan of Microsoft, but this is my gaming computer and my personal computer. Therefore, it has to be Microsoft. Okay. We are back, everybody. And when I say back, I mean we are back. So that means you can spawn in as a cow and hopefully not break my freaking game. Okay? Let's do this. You use Vim, you have to be on console. Yeah, me too. I just prefer to be on console. Frick you, Soul. Sorry, that was mean. That was mean. I just was hoping you would help me test instead of immediately blowing me up as soon as you spawn. I'm just kidding. Don't frick you, Soul. Is it because you can't move all your stuff to Linux? That's fair. Cars are flying. Racing lines suck. The cars won't avoid. I have an idea. You know what? Hey, look. Hey, look. Look at that. We have a slowly spinning Lyra. Hey, let's go, girl. All right, I see you. Spin that cow. Yeah, there's no, I'm going to be honest. JJ, there's going to be no chance we're getting any small work done today. This stream is not going to have any small work done. Okay. Now that we know that spinning kind of works, we are going to do the increased speed thing, if that makes sense. So we're going to work on that right now that we know that spinning works. People are getting mad at Soul. Hey, ban Soul. People are actually getting mad. No way. All right, Cockster. That's enough. Fine. Let's see here. So now that we have that working, I'm going to take off that giant comment spam that I had for cow spinning. What was it called? What did I call it? It was just called start, walk, spin, spin test. So, oh, I see. It does both. Okay. Real time, and then start walk spin also runs real time. I wonder if that's for state changing then. The speeding isn't up yet. Careful. I haven't gotten there yet. But we will get there. Let's see. In your humble position, you should rotate the current orientation. Fine. Fine, I'll rotate the current orientation instead of like a given orientation. You're right, Lyra. That's a good point. You don't think other prefixes work on attack? Interesting. I'll have to look into that. I just wrote it down to look into that, but right now I'm on a mission to try to get the spinning proper. So the spin state has current direction. Current direction doesn't actually update. Local new there equals blah, blah, blah. What was the get current? Did you say it was get current rotation? Was that the API command to get that? Lyra, I think that was you. Hold on. I see set facing direction, but where is get character? Get current facing direction. Perfect. Thank you. That's gorgeous. Self get current facing direction is now set as current direction. The new direction is now set as a current direction rotated by spin speed, and then it sets it to the new direction. Okay? So now you've got that going. I don't know if that's going to update properly. I might need to restart the game to get there, but until then, we're going to actually work on getting the spin speed increased. So I believe that should be in my receive event / spin / speed blah 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 / spin. I think that's it. Okay. If self.isSpin equals true, then self.spin speed equals self.spin speed. How about we just increase it by 3 degrees every time? That way you guys have to spam it if you guys really want to go fast. Maybe I'll do 5 degrees later, but we're going to just have it increment by 3 degrees per spin command. Or yeah, 3 degrees per second or per whatever per spin command. Lyra says, "Oh no, what happened, Lyra? Oh, what did you do? Oh no, what happened? Oh my gosh." Oh, that's why. Okay. Get current facing direction. That's on me. That's on me. Self unit. Let's see. Does that work? Go. Does that work? I think that works. All right. Spinning should be functional now. I think the code might have broke, but spinning is back to working. Yay. Did you try to spin again? Because Lyra, now it's rotating you the other way. Now it's spinning you again. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Yeah, it's like interesting. Wacky. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. I mean, that's how it works, but hold on. All right, hold on. Let me look at chat. I have missed a lot. I have not looked at chat in so long. I have to remake the chip video with a walk. Oh no. YouTube got mad at you, I bet. In your humble opinion, blah blah blah. You don't think other prefixes work. Dang it. Soul. Stop. Spawn walk. Get current face interaction. Camel cased. Yada yada yada. Yay. Spin wacky. Make it spin faster. Spin. Explode. Wasn't me that time. Follow expire. Spin. Okay. So. Lyra is spinning. And every time that you run spin again. Hogster is now spinning. This is so stupid. Who told me to do this? All right. Spin speed is 1. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. The spin speed isn't updating. I don't know if you guys can see that on the console, but the spin speed isn't actually increasing itself. Do it again, and I want to see if it increases. Yeah, like if you look here. This is so autistic, and I'm enjoying it. All right, their spin speed equals 4. Okay, well, it did increase this time. And you guys are spinning down a little bit faster. All right, try again. I'll increase it. It should be 4, 5, 6 to 7 now. Hogster's at 25. It's in. I think there was 2 of you guys that were doing it at the same time, so it looks like it's doing it every other time. Yeah, Lyra, you're now at 7. Oh, the question is, I don't know how fast these cows can spin. Does that make sense? You know what I mean? I feel like there is a cap on how fast these cows are actually able to spin. And it looks like we might be hitting the upper limits of it. Here, we're going to do that. So instead of... Can you see the rotation code? The pause apply angular velocity to the cow. It is a not an angular velocity, but it is possible to apply velocity. Okay, so right here is the... As soon as it receives a spin command, if it's already spinning, and then I have it just increasing the spin speed, it just tells you what it is. I just changed it from 3 to 1. I capped it at 90 so that it doesn't go past that, but it looks like I might need to cap it even lower than that because whatever. So that is what the spin does. Otherwise, oh, wait a minute. Wonder if that might have done. I doubt that would have done it. I doubt that would have done it. But anyway, so that is the on command spin code. Now for the every update or every like unit, what's it called? Unit update spin code. It is, there's one here that does nothing, that runs real time. But then I have another one here that spin clock is useless to me right now. That rotates it across the Z axis by the spin speed. So I could print out Occurred. I wonder if, because right now what this does is it constantly gets the current facing direction and tries to make it rotate the Z by every update. And I can totally see it because it's not updating properly. It keeps on trying to set the Z to something that is... I can totally see this being an issue here, basically. That's all I'm trying to say. It rotates in radians. Oh, shoot. Ah, yes, it is. It's got to be. That is totally on me. Wow, that's totally on me. I didn't even think about that. Good point. Holy crap, Lyra. You wanna? Can I hire you to be my peer programmer? Because I'm pretty sure that rotate. I'm looking at the API axis right now. It is degrees, the angle in radians. I'm pretty sure. So let me try that again. I think it's math.degree or math.deg to get actual degrees from spin speed. All right. So now if we're looking at this, self.cur new dir, and then self.spin speed. All right, so current direction is this, new direction is that. My caps is flagged, so I don't know what that's doing. I'm gonna be honest. This is so stupid. It looks like they're actually going a little bit faster though. That might be it. It isn't. It's because I think it's because it was in radians. Here, I'm gonna. So someone explode. So that we can restart this. Thank you. All right, let's try this again. We're gonna start from 0 this time. And we're going to do a spin. And we're going to start slowly. So don't spam, Cogster, looking at you. Don't spam the spin. We're going to just slowly just start spinning and seeing what the increase in... Okay, fine. Did JJ have to go? Did I miss him saying goodbye? I'm so sorry, JJ, if I missed you saying goodbye. I'll talk to you later. We're on Discord. Spam the spin. All right, shut up, Soul. I will be ending stream soon. I will say that. Watching Seraph spin walks. It's cold and wearing socks. Stream really rocks. But the clock ticks talks. We form group of Fox to put Lyra in a box. You and Soul brought about stocks. Character's gone. Nice. That's such a great random poetry. There. Thank you. That was straight bars, JJ. Straight bars. And he is right. No, he is not wrong. Every single one. All right. Lyra do be spinning. Yeah, that's what you've been doing. Perfect. I will say, I think I'm gonna be honest. This spin command completion might be the end of the stream. I will say that because I am struggling. My head is starting to hurt. My tummy is starting to hurt. All right, let's start spinning up the spin speed. I don't know, or say speeding up the spin speed. I don't think it will. I don't know if it'll do much. I'm gonna be honest. I might need to adjust it, but it looks like Lyra is going faster. Give the walks cocaine. All right, Coxter's gotten to the point where it's now just not. It's not updating properly because the walk can't update I see. So there is a point of no return where the cows can't keep up with how fast the game is trying to spin it, or the code is trying to spin them at. So you were there when the CIA flooded the streets of pure cocaine. I'm sure you can ask them for extra ones. I was not there when they did that, first of all. That was actually beyond my time. That was before, or a little bit when I was early / a little bit before I was born, first of all. So I can't help. I wasn't part of that. You love drugs. Yes. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay, CIA agent. Seriously, how old do you think I am, Sewell? I was not born in 76. Good lord, dude. You already do them. Sun shakes. 57. The bite of 57. 1776. What a great year. All right. Okay, so Lyra, Cogster, or Sewell or JJ, whoever cares about coding, do you think there is a better way to get these guys to spin faster? Because there is a limitation for spin speed. Yeah, meth. Okay. All right. A realistically coding in-game version. Apply angular velocity. Yeah, you can code an in-game meth item. Now that would be crazy. But yeah, that is possible. Okay, let's see. All right, so right now there is an sm.physics / apply velocity. I know, I just replaced the seeds and fruits with just meth and cocaine and like opioids and other stuff. Now that would be hilarious. Actually, no, it wouldn't be, but it would be kind of funny. There is an sm.lmnop sm.physics or sm.physics / apply impulse. I can apply impulses, and I can apply torque to a body, but not to characters. I can apply impulses to a character, and it's applied to the character's center point. Yeah, so I can make you guys go. I can make you guys go flying for sure. I can make you guys go freaking crazy, but I don't know if I can apply rotational torque to a character. That's unfortunately, I don't think that's possible. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think I can apply a specific impulse to, or a rotational impulse. I can make you guys go flying, though. Or maybe it's a world space thing I can do. I'm sure there's a lot of math I can do to try to get that working, but right now I think the regular spin might have to increase the degree increments instead of the amount increments. Yes, that's a good idea. However, I don't think the degree increments, there's like a limit though, if that makes sense. So the degree increments stop being fast at a certain point, if that makes sense. Like if you go too fast, it like overlaps and like wraps around back to the slower version. 1-to-1 replica of their IRL production process. That would be imagine that I just somehow decide to recode the whole game to do drugs instead of the actual game. You pulled up the API reference, looked at two functions, so why? So there is def a better way. Can you can send cows flying. Let's see, increase blah blah blah. 180. Math.degrees goes the other way. Are you talking about angles versus radians versus degrees? Shit, you're right. I need to get the cosine right. You're absolutely right. I'm gonna be honest. It's not my smartest day. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if you've tried to stream while also coding, while also hungry, and also having limited sleep. And after traveling from Florida to here, 23-hour trip. But your coding brain don't work like it used to. I will say that. All right. All right. I just switched it to math.rad, and I am going to restart. No. I'm not saying you're insulting me. I'm just making up excuses for me being dumb-brained right now. Because that is something I should have recognized. That's just me insulting myself because I'm an idiot. But no, I appreciate you looking out because that's something I would not have picked up on, at least during the stream. So thank you, Lyra. All right. It's fine. I get it, Soul. Soul, I'm used to you insulting me. I'm used to pretty much everyone else insulting me. My chat is probably some of the meanest people you'll probably meet in a while if you don't go to other streams. But yeah. All right. Welcome back, Lyra. You don't think you've ever insulted me in a while. Yeah. You haven't insulted me until the last stream, which was definitely a while ago. Lyra, can you follow me to, like, break the spin? I haven't tested that yet. Because it won't work. It won't break the spin. Gosh dang it. I forgot about that. Oh, I'm looking at the... Oh my gosh, this won't work. It's all jokes for... I know. Trust me, I have pretty thick skin. I can handle the insults. It looks like it went straight back to spinning. That's funny. I need to make a new state machine, I think, so that I can actually affect these states properly instead of having to manually set their transitions from each other state. But I can do that. I can do that later. I just code in a new state machine. And you think you're speeding up? You think you're speeding up fast enough? So you've placed like 3 blocks onto this Ferrari since the start of the stream. That's hilarious. Here, I'm gonna go and increase the spin speed again. Def not fast enough. Yeah, you're not spinning fast enough at all. Trigonometry, you're playing SM, that's funny. Well, I believe on you during your trigonometry homework. Interesting. So the problem is that I also reset the spin thing. You're gonna have to respin. But the problem is that wait, do you spin and follow me at the same time? That's actually crazy. And then you go back to spinning once you get close enough. Is that a bug or a feature? I mean, it's technically a bug, but we can call it a feature. And then you explode. Ah, man. I think what needs to happen is that I need to apply some sort of torque. Because I don't think the cow's animation / character can spin fast enough. Because if... Alright. I was going to do a test, but never mind. Can somebody follow me and not do a spin? Can someone spawn in, do a follow on me, and then not spin? All right. All right, so that is there. So if I go here, interesting. So this actually, they seem to be able to spin faster than I think they can. If you're looking at like how they're spinning here during their walking animations to like adjust like which direction they're facing, it seems like you know what it is? I know what it is. You know what it is? 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 It is probably because I am calling set facing direction every single freaking tick. And the animation resets and the velocity resets every time I call set position. So what I need to do is figure out the math of I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this. This is so stupid. I'm just making cows freaking spin. And oh my goodness. All right. So, you know what I mean? Where I need to like where I have to where I have to make it honestly, this might be it, folks. I'm gonna be honest. As much as I would like to say that, like, you know, yeah, that is a lot of work for just spinning walks. We can keep this, like, this will be in. This is definitely canon. Spinning walks is gonna be a thing. We can try to get them do like the interpolation of, you know, when to call a new spinning direction. Wait a minute. Cox said we're not gonna be able to have them eat sun shakes right now. I am hyper focused on the spinning. Are we really been trying to get them to spin for an hour? That's crazy. 5-minute coding adventure, in and out. But I can definitely make them eat sun shakes and anything like that. But right now, this is I'm reaching capacity. I'm gonna be honest. My capacity has been reached. So let's see here. What a great timed explosion again. Good job, Lyra, honestly. It just went with the drop of the music, basically, on the beat. What I could do is set a timer, right? I have a timer utility that can be called every time after a certain amount of ticks pass. And I can have like a constant one where it... Oh, but then it won't be smooth circles. It'll just be like weirdly timed circles unless you make it spin fast enough. So I would have to do a checker from the goal direction and then the current direction. And once it gets close, then it will reset the timer to the next goal direction and current direction. I don't want to do that right now. I'm sorry. No, I can't. I'm not doing that right now. I'm going to have to do it. I'm going to have to do this later because I know exactly, I think, how to fix this and how to make this work. But after how many hours have I been streaming and not eaten at all? Like this, I haven't eaten my first meal yet today. It's 6 o'clock at my time. I haven't eaten. Okay. So 3.5 hours it's been. I say that's long enough. So what we're gonna do now is just, I guess, go free for all. You guys have free reign, do whatever you want. Because I'm gonna end the stream now, honestly. So, thank you, especially to the newcomer Lyra, to the stream and helping me figure out different things. And thank you, JJ, for the attack. That was very nice of you. We will be back. We will be doing this more. I want to do this during the weekdays more, but I might be only streaming on weekends. We will see. I have a full-time job, so I can't just yeah, the quick smooch from JJ. Mwah. And enjoy your trumpet playing. That's fun. You're a musician as well. That's so cool. Good luck. Seraph, can you have the walks codes? You can try to add the sun shake eating myself. Yes. I will. I won't clean it up. I will get that to you soon. I'm not gonna get it to you right now. I need to eat. Like, my head is hurting really bad. So, YouTube is being. Oh, that's. Yeah, I'm gonna probably switch over to Twitch tool. So that you don't get blocked, because it's rough. But we will do that. Yeah. So, anyways, thank you all for watching, and as always, I hope you guys have a great morning, afternoon, night, or evening. You're trying to say check the stuff you're playing on to check that message. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. All right. See you guys. I just realized we got no SMAR development done at all. It was just all cows, but, you know, it's fine. I think we had fun. All right. Peace out.